Let's go. We're back. We are back. Good morning, everybody. GFAI. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I perfect. I need to test out how slow the stream is today. Actually, test. And what's and thrust. Ovi virus. Good morning, everybody. Yo, King. Good morning, Dave. Good morning, BLK. Ryan. Good morning. Good morning, A. Good morning, Patricia. River, good morning. Jay, good morning. Jericho, good morning. Stay green, not greedy, please. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Zhang, good morning. Hi. Can you do a test for me, Virus? Can you type in something in the chat? Let me one second. 1 second. Let me mute my Discord here because this is gonna get annoying. Really quickly. Okay. Really quickly. Okay. Virus, type in a number in the chat and I'll tell you how long it takes. Then just let me know how long it takes for me to see it. Because I think I messed up this morning. So let me know. Let's see. No, it was a number. King posted a number. Virus, it was supposed to be a number. 237, 420. How long does that take? Usually it's supposed to be like right away, like 2 seconds, but I think I might have messed it up. So it's more like 10 seconds. I just want to know because we're playing with monies, in live stuff. 901. Let me know. 3 seconds? Okay, that's not bad. Okay, that's not bad at all then. Okay, good. La 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 la. Virus, you think so? 10? 26? 26? How long did that take, James? Yeah. I don't like it to be to be 10 seconds, but we'll see. Okay. Canada will announce he intends to step down as well, Trudeau. The light is right in my face today. Right in my face. Okay. Maybe 5 seconds. Yeah, I like it when it's instant, like when I can see your comments right away. Something I don't know what's happening with the light. I need to turn that back on. This is a bit silly, isn't it? And then it changes the color too. Like, why does it do that? I don't want the white light. There we go. Yeah, James. Yeah. Good morning, Zach. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It was nice to take some time off though from all the chaos and yapping all day. Bitcoin does look good into the open here. That thing still needs to cross above 100K. And then Fubo, guys, look at Fubo. Fubo's up 200%. Right? I still think this is going to be a pre-market play just because it has a massive float. If you're not sure what's happened, Fubo had some news today with Disney, right? So they're almost launching like a live TV streaming service with Disney, right? That they own 30% off. So Fubo's been cooking all morning. If you missed this thing, well, this thing was also spammed in Discord for quite a while before this news came out. So Fubo's been cooking today, right? So a lot of you guys made your daily goal on Fubo, which is amazing, right? Because this one was nice and slow. It wasn't like, oh my god, it left me. No, the news came out, it popped, and then it dropped, and then it slowly started to go slowly, faster, and then the news got confirmed right around this price, and then it exploded up, right? And the stock is still looking amazing. So congratulations if you made monies in Fubo, which I think a whole bunch of you guys did. So congrats. I'm gonna zoom out in a second here because Fubo has a whole bunch of levels we can look at. I think again, once the market does open for this stock, I think it's going to slow down a little bit. But for now, it looks amazing. Alrighty, so we will be paying attention to that. The other one that we like is ARBE. Right, that one seems like it's lost a bit of momentum, but who knows? We'll see. A bit of support at 470-ish for this one, ARBE. I know some of you guys are playing this one as well. And then the other one just broke down, right? So SPRC. With this one, I would be watching the 200 EMA all the way down to like 87 cents. If you're playing this, yeah, watch that 200 EMA. I think that would be your level. But other than that, let me go back to the S&P. SPY looks good. It would be nice to see the S&P retest at the open, maybe like 5. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Honestly, this is becoming a little bit annoying. And then you just have to click it back on again. I don't know why it does that in the first place. With the S&P, I would honestly just expect a dip at the open. Alrighty, and then we can go from there. Cool. Same thing with BTC. And then you want to see that thing break above 100K at some point and go boom skis. Question for you guys in the chat though, as we get closer to the open, what's your favorite stonk going into the open? Fubo's on fire, guys. I'm sure it's all gonna be Fubo. Let's go, Yi. He's been spamming Fubo in Discord. Spam. Right? Fubo's up 237% now. That thing is on fire. On fire, Fubo. Oof. Then the impact of the float, yeah. Agreed. Well done. Let's go. You got into Fubo, Zach, at 205. You sold at 380. That's not a bad scalp at all, is it? So congratulations, Zach. Congratulations. Good morning, Next Gen. Hello. It's been 18 months. Ooh wee. Let's go. 18 months. 18 months. Let's go. Yi, thank you very much. Ready? Keep cooking. Much love. Ready? Yeah. Time does fly, doesn't it? Time really flies. It's like, oh my goodness, how long have we been here? Yeah. I always get these reminders. You know how Google will send you reminders of like things you were doing like 4 years ago, 5 years ago? And I get these like little screenshots of, oh, we were talking about Coinbase on this day, blah blah blah. 4 years ago we were talking about the Coinbase IPO, right? Stuff like that. Or like an AMC, the first AMC conference call, or like stuff. But anyways, yeah, it's been quite a journey. You met your daily goal already, Mac. Congratulations. Good morning, Rita. Virus. Guess who's in the chat? It's Jameson. Good morning, Jameson. How are you? Yeah, let me zoom out on Fubo here really quickly, because I know we have some daily levels we could be looking at. Yeah, I need to move that light because that thing broke above some major resistance levels. So you can look at the chart and it's going to be messy all over the place. It kind of looks like we're sitting at that next resistance here though. So if you look to the left hand side and you look at the last two pivots, or you just look at the supply zone, you're looking for like 475 all the way to $5. So that little 25-cent range seems to have a lot of resistance. And then once you break above that, just send it to 550. And then if you break above 550, there's so much more room to the upside. A lot. Right. At some point, Fubo was an expensive stock. At some point, this thing, I mean, if you look at, they haven't done any splits, so these levels are valid. But if you go back to 2021, this stock was at $35. Not that it's gonna go there. And if you go back to like early 2021, that stock was at $60. Right? Not saying it's gonna go there. Right? You always have to pay attention to the next resistance level. Right? So for now, you're looking at that 475. Right? So again, if you look to the left hand side, you're gonna see this little congestion over here. Right? This level is 475 to $5. And then once you clear that range, you're looking all the way up there. Which I'm not gonna mention the level. Right? I'm not gonna mention the level. If you look at Fubo on the daily too, like it actually it does look like it came off a beautiful demand zone, right? Like this was August 2024. August 2024, Fubo came off this level, ran all the way to $2.20. Today, though, they have news, so that it's moving with a lot more volume, which is good. Which is good. Again, I would be careful with Fubo once the market opens. Just give it a second. If you're not sure what to do, give it a second, because then I think you're really gonna see the that float come into play. Right? It's a 320 million share float. So I think once the market opens, that's when you're gonna see that float. Hopefully not, but just be cautious, please. Good morning, Archer. AK, good morning. Let's go, Raven. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome back, everybody. Hopefully, you guys all had a good break. Not that we were really taking breaks, but just from the YouTube side. But we were cooking in Discord every day. Will, good morning. And you guys were streaming in Discord basically every day too, which was amazing, right? So the only thing we really missed is hanging out on YouTube. That's it. Nothing else. Good morning, CM. Emma, good morning. Good morning, UC. How long would you use the high Kinashi candle to form? I'm not sure I understand your question, UC. Not sure I understand your question. I asked you guys earlier what your favorite stock was going into the open, and I think I ignored the answer because I was looking at something else. Okay, perfect. Watch list is still good to go. But yeah, let me know what's your favorite stock going into the open. Please don't say Fubo. I know it's all gonna be Fubo, but yeah, you can say Fubo if you want to. MEGL. Oh, come on, Spy. Get to 600, please. ARBB is looking a bit sus now. I think everybody's been chanting Fubo in pre-market, Archer. Good morning, Troy. Ayo, Dan, good morning. CNSP? Okay. Sounds good. Hmm. Yeah, that thing is looking weak going into the open. So, for those of you guys interested in ARBB, your next level of support is $4.20. Alrighty. So I'm going to drop a line there. So $4.20 is your next support for this one. So we'll keep an eye on this thing, see if we can kind of consolidate above that level and then go from there. AMD, I was waiting for that virus. I was waiting for it. Yeah. No, AMD looks really good this morning. So there's a whole bunch of other stuff, but yeah, AMD does look really good. BAOS. $4.10 at the bottom of the demand zone. Cool. It looks like MEGL is trying to curl there, but it doesn't quite have the volume yet. There goes SPRC though, trying to bounce up that 200 EMA. Alrighty, I think we broke below it really quickly, but then it came right back above. So you're in at 85 cents, SPRC. Yeah, so there you go. You're green in that position, right? Nikolai, good morning, next gen. You're green in that position for now. So again, you have a bit of support right where you got in at that 200 EMA, and it's creating a demand zone there. So as long as it stays above that level, I don't mind. The other thing you could do is you could move, just have a mental stop loss and move it up, right? Because you're green in that position now, so you should be okay. No, 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 no. Okay. Sounds good. And go to the woods today. That sounds like a good plan, Virus. Yeah, it should be a really good morning for you. So, let's see if I can like reduce the lighting, reduce it a little bit. Traders, what's your position in RHE? What's your position in that play? The last time I looked at that, it looked really weak. So I'm gonna take a look. Yeah, there it is. It looks really weak. But then again, you are going into the open, so anything can happen, right? So I'd be looking for support around between $4.10 and $4. If it can stay above that range, you might be okay. But I don't know if you're in a position or not. Um, yeah. Jamieson, I've been slacking. I slacked on everything. I haven't looked yet. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Again, welcome back. Share the link as well if you want to. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. But yeah, don't forget to smash a like nice and early on, guys. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. It looks like GFAI came all the way back down to the to retest that 200 EMA again at 260. Which isn't horrible. And then Fubo is slowly retracing now. I wouldn't completely count Fubo out yet, just because again, this is really the first dip we've had after that major pop. So if we can stay above $4, I think that's completely okay. Really? Hmm. Uh, let's go. Okay, sounds good, Jameson. Much love. See you soon. SPRC. Yeah, that demand zone and that 200 EMA is a nice little spot there for GFAI. Don't mind that at all. Yeah, the S&P just got slapped. So did Bitcoin. I bet you we had something come out. I bet you something happened. I don't see any news, but I bet you something happened though. Unless this is interesting. Do 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 do. Very interesting. Okay. Yeah. Spy and BTC slapped. Slapped. See, we're kind of sitting in that weird spot, like when we're so close to the market open that everybody's either made money or they're holding their positions, or you're just waiting for the market to open. This is that like that 20 minutes, 15 minutes before the market opens is usually a weird time. So just kind of waiting for the market to open here so we can see what moves and what doesn't. Right. So you're either in positions and taking profits, or you're just waiting at this point. Right. So Fubo's dipping. Here comes that $4 retest. Let's see if we can consolidate and crawl back up. If anything, it might actually go back and retest our last bottom at 375, but hopefully not. So let's see if we can retest $4 and stay above that. Alrighty. Stay above that. You can kind of tell the whole bunch of names that we were watching in pre-market, a lot of them just kind of look sus for now. Everything is getting slapped. Is yeah, exactly, virus. So hopefully that's the market open slap we were waiting for, though, and then the market opens and it goes. Dang, Jameson is going all in 2025. All in. Jameson. Oh no 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 no. Okay, let me go back to Fubo here. I want to see what happens with that at the open, and then go from there. Good morning, D. Hello, hello. No, Zach, it's never a bad idea, especially when you're going into the open on something that's up 200%. Like, take the gains, right? Take some of the gains at least, and then let's see what happens when the market opens. CNSP. You guys ready for chaos? I'm ready for chaos. You've been holding Fubo forever? Yeah, I know a whole bunch of people have, which is amazing. Congratulations, Sean. Well done. Well done. Okay, let's see what we have for options here. No, 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 no. It's, for options, it's always a little bit, difficult when you're gapping up like that, though, because then everything you like is gapping up as well. So then you tend to wait for that. 250 puts. Jameson, do you not like nice things? Jameson's like when Fubo puts. You don't like nice things. uh, that's virus behavior. Something is pumping when puts. Exactly, Troy. Exactly. Especially when you're gapping up. So yeah, it looks like SPRC is still holding that 200 EMA, which is a good thing. So again, let's see what happens when the market opens with this one. RHE doesn't look horrible, and then MEGL is just sitting there for now. So for now, we wait. Hmm. Interesting. Uh, what are you thinking? The Archer like puts AO Leo AO. You're thinking zero DTE puts on AMD or calls? Hmm. Compliance with CETX. Okay, I'll pull it up. Mm-mm. Calls. Okay. As long as you're not buying it when it's all the way up there, though. So just make sure that thing dips a little bit, so you don't end up getting in a. Leo, what's your position in? Oh yeah, no, AMD doesn't. So Fridays. So you'd be looking for Friday. For some reason, when I talk about like zero DTE, I talk about it in the same way that. So Friday to me is I don't know why I think of it that way sometimes, but um, Friday would be your next expiration date for any stock, right? Mm-mm-mm. Friday. Doo-doo. Yeah. Three. Yeah, three. Yeah, there you go. Is the market closed on Thursday? Was it the 18th or was it the 8th? Um, it's this Thursday? Oh wow. Okay, Thursday. Okay. Yeah, Jimmy Carter. Okay. Well, I guess we have a holiday in the mix. No, that's okay, Virus. That's okay. Uh, I noticed that I've made that mistake quite a few times. Yeah. Mr. Chairman, good morning. Ayo. Yeah, Thursday. Yeah, Thursday you can sleep in, guys, because the market is closed. Dan, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, stranger. How did you enjoy your time with, your time relaxing, Dan? Can I take a look at MEGL? You're looking for an entry? MEGL actually is sitting in a demand zone. It's sitting at support at 225 ish. As long as it stays above that level, because if it doesn't, then you're looking for like 216. That's your next level. Alrighty. Good morning, Regina. Rita, you're waiting for Fubo to dip. Okay. Yeah, let's see if we can get a dip at the open. It does look like it's holding the level we wanted it to hold, which is that $4 level for Fubo. So let's see. Um, let's see. And thrust. Lion, good morning. For virus, yeah. Yep. That's always how that's usually how it is though. 6 minutes, guys. So Fubo is doing a good job of holding that $4 demand zone. Well, it's a demand zone now, but it was a retest earlier. So um, good. Good. FGL actually came back and curled really nicely the E. So off $2. And then ARBE, again, like I mentioned earlier, 420 is your support. So for those of you guys that are watching, interested, that's your support there for ARBE, $4.20. And then GFAI is still doing a good job bouncing off that 200 EMA. It's done that quite a few times this morning, right? Quite a few times. So that 200 EMA again is the 200 is the white line. The 200 EMAs, the 200 EMAs in it. No, that's the white line at the bottom there for GFAI. So we keep coming back down to that range and bouncing, which is perfect, right? The only downside to all of these levels is once we get to the market open, things usually change, right? Some stocks destroy those support levels, some stocks will actually keep it. So you never know, right? But for now, that thing is holding the 200 EMA. So keep, pay attention to that 200 EMA. And then ARBE again, 420. SPRC has done a good job bouncing off the 200 as well. You just have a bit of supply, right? They had 105, which kind of connects with the initial like break of structure level on the left hand side. So that 105 is your resistance. Mohammed, welcome back. A bus stop on fire, Leo? My goodness. Where do you live? Well, I guess everybody doesn't want to go back to school or back to work, the burning the bus stops. Got it. Oh, virus. Um, okay, you did, Zach. Sounds good. Yeah. Just again, just keep in mind that you have a bit of resistance right where it's sitting at, right? Hopefully you're green already though. Hopefully you are green already. SPY with a bit of a bounce, Bitcoin with a bit of a bounce back to 99. Bitcoin really needs to get back above 100K, like really needs to get above 100K. And then here's Fubo still sitting at $4. KITT does look good. Okay. KITT. KITT. Jameson, you still want me to look at that, or you're just posting? Hmm. Interesting, Kev. AO Don, you're looking for an entry into GEVO. Okay, in a small position. Yeah, let me look at some of these names you guys are asking for, and then we can move on. Alrighty. Perfect. Let me. I'm gonna do the daily charts here. The daily charts. Yeah, SPY needs to get back above 600 for sure. That's your next major level, obviously. But again, like spy is like one of those things that, if you have the patience and you're willing to stay longer, the levels, but that's for the most part, like most large cap names respect levels, right? Because if you look at this, you can clearly tell that this is resistance for spy, right? So once that level is broken, what do you now use as support? This level, that level, and this level, right? That's exactly what the S&P is doing. So it's just been play. It's been, again. It's obviously taken about like it took all of last week and maybe the week before that, but you can see that the level is held up really nicely. So if you bought some spy calls anywhere around this level, you're smiling now. You're like, oh my god, I'm amazing, right? But spy does that a lot, right? Love the levels on spy. So, anyways, not that anybody was asking about SPY, just wanted to look at SPY. So, like I said earlier, your next major resistance, we also do have a downtrend which you can't really quite see on a daily time frame. Once I pull up the 4 hour, you might be able to see it a lot nicer. But there's a bit of resistance at like 597. So 597. 597 and then that 600. 600 is the same resistance we felt at like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, right? That's that last top. So we came from this level to that level, right? That's 600. So that would be your next major resistance, and then you're obviously looking for all-time highs. So 597 and then 600, and then go from there. Cool. We have less than what? Anyways, markets open. Well, I wanted to look at from some charts for you guys, but I will in a second. I just want to go back and look at some of these other names. So Fubo's dipping, right? So watch that 375 ish. If we can stay above that, that would be good. SPRC is still playing in that same range there. ARBE, that thing came back and retested that 420. Actually got close to the 200 EMA, and then popped. GFAI looks good, right? We talked about this one yesterday and this morning. It's holding that 200 EMA really nicely there. So if you're not sure what to do, guys, like we mentioned all the time, just sit on your hands a little bit, right? So here comes our retest for Fubo, right? That 375, that little white line we have at the bottom here, the last retest, it needs to consolidate above that line if it wants to curl here. If not, we go back and test the view up 350-ish, right? So give it time to consolidate. It's Monday morning. If you're not sure what to do, sit back and relax a little bit. Let the charts consolidate. Alrighty. I've mentioned this so many times. Like just because something looks good in pre-market doesn't mean it's going to look good after the market opens. Uh, I like it. Yeah, losing trade. Yeah, I like it. So again, just because something looks amazing in pre-market doesn't mean it's going to look amazing after the market opens. And also, sometimes you just need to give it a few seconds. People take their profits and run, right? So for a name like this, watch for $3.50. Let's see if we can consolidate above 350. Alrighty. Let's see here. Okay. KUKE? What's KUKE doing? KUKE. Interesting. Okay. So it looks like this one's holding the levels though, right? ARBE is holding that 420 and retesting the top side at 470. So that's a pretty nice retest to the downside, which is good. The S&P is bouncing. I'm gonna go back to the smaller time frame on SPY. So solid bounce at the open here. Bitcoin still looks fine to me. Fubo is still trying to decide what it wants to do, right? So again, just because something looks amazing in pre-market doesn't mean it's going to look good after the market opens. You really need to be patient and just give them time to consolidate. And Fubo is getting slapped a little bit, right? So people locking in some gains. Locking in some gains. Let's see here. Perfect. I don't know why. What I need to do, I need to set up like to log in into my broker with like with one second. I just need to open up this here. Oh, okay, that makes sense now. Okay, it just wasn't updating. Ayo yo yo Tesh, Ayo Grims, Ayo Ayo. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Ooh, Spy said, let me bounce. Let me bounce. Give me a bounce. Fubo said, let me do the same. It's good to be back, Grim. Good to be back. It's good to be back. For some reason, my broker doesn't want to update. I think it usually takes a few minutes at the open. Okay, there we go. Good morning, Wes. You're in at 328. I'll take a look in a second. I just wanna let these things consolidate a bit at the open, and then we can look. So again, for the S&P, we talked about that 575, not 575, 597, and then 600. So let's see if we can break above that. It looks like we're testing that 97, right? So that's a good thing. SPRC guys failed at that the VWAP at the open and then came back down to the 200 EMA. So again, if this is something you're interested in, make sure you watch that demand zone, right? 87 to 88 to the low 80s is what you want to be paying attention to if you're interested in that. Fubo with a nice little bounce there. Mm, there we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Everything got slapped? Yeah. Typical market open, though. Typical market open, Grim. Especially when we're gapping up so much, everything gets slapped. So that was a pretty nice dip for Fubo. Pretty nice dip skis there. Okay. I just wanted to take a look, quick little scalpy, and then we can start the day. There we can start the day. Okay, I'm done with that Fubo scalp for now. Just wanted a quick scalpy, and then now we wait for Fubo to consolidate. Now Fubo can do what it wants to do. Okay, anyways, back to GFAI. That thing bounced off the 200 again, guys. Right? We've mentioned that quite a few times this morning. I wish this is the one we actually went with. But again, that thing's been bouncing off the 200 EMA the entire morning, right? So that's another retest in pre-market and then pop. So now we're sitting at the highs of the day here for GFAI. So 58% on that. 58%. Shish. Looking good. Is anybody holding GFAI in the chat? Oh, that's why. Okay. Anybody holding GFAI in the chat, guys? Boom skis. $3.20. Small position, great scalps. Grim, love it. Beautiful. I'm not even going to bother zooming out for now. I think it's way too early. You're in a 294 whale. Beautiful. Love it, Tesh. So I'm not even going to bother zooming out because I still think, again, you always have that mental resistance at every 20, so 320. But I'm going to let it break above and hold, and then I'll zoom out and look at the daily. It does look really good, though. That thing said, I'll make you zoom out. I will make you zoom out. 326. You have a small position as well, Sean. Nice. I like it. Is Fubo still sitting at the bottom there? It's trying to consolidate. See, and this is what we mentioned earlier, right? Like Fubo has a 300 million share float, right? So what happened at the open here is people locked in some gains, and then and then it's slow, right? Because of the float. So again, I wouldn't completely count this thing out yet, right? In the next 30 minutes, if we're still kind of moving like this, then it's just not, like I said, it's a pre-market play, right? Because once the market opens, people realize that, oh, it has 300 million share float, right? You get to see that float in action. So to me, that was a pre-market play. Unless we break above like market open highs, it's still a pre-market play. So unless this thing crosses $4 at some point, meh, already. So hopefully you locked in some gains. It was up 200%. Now it's up 125. So secure the monies, especially when you're gapping up like that on a massive float at the open. GFAI still looks really good. I like the way those candles are closing. Uh, Grim, it was it was on the view app. Yeah. I'm waiting for the chart to load. I want to see what the daily looks like here for GFAI. Come on, give me the damn candles. My goodness. Okay, there we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What is that? 35? Yeah, that's actually perfect. So, so if I put a line right there, you're going to notice that in the past, GFAI is filled at $3.35, and it's also bounced at $3.35 as support, right? If that level is ever broken, though, then you're looking for 420. So I'm going to drop another line at 420, all the way above that supply zone, right? But that last resistance, though, right here, that's $3 and 35 cents. What's the high of the day today? $3.34. Right. So it looks like people knew that level was a problem and profit taking. So there you go. So at some point we're gonna need to break up that 335 if we want to start pushing for $4. Alrighty, so that's GFAI. What's Fubo doing, guys? Still dipping? Are we gonna hold 320 maybe? Maybe, right? Spy still looks okay. So that 97-ish was Spy. Even though we broke above it briefly, it was came right back below. So there goes GFAI, by the way. That thing said, don't doubt me. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. So that we need to close above that 335. Ready? $3.35 is what we need to close above. Honestly, Paul, it's not a huge difference, right? So when you look at resistance, someone will tell you that resistance is at 345. Someone else will say 350. Like honestly, it's always like that. And to me, like either way, it's okay. You know, because some people will use the close of the candle, some people will use the wicks, some people will round it up to a psychological resistance level. Like if you ask me about resistance, right, and I know there's resistance at 395, I'm still going to tell you resistance is $4 because I know why people are selling at 395 because they want to sell it before it gets to $4. Right, so to me, again, resistance can be a range, as long as you're watching it closely. Oh no, I don't. You're in a short. Yeah, I don't really care about 341. Right, you can short anywhere in that range. Hopefully, it doesn't break out, right, Paul? But to me, it doesn't really matter. And there goes 344. So to me, again, I could care less, honestly, Paul. Right. So a lot of people now would be looking for 350. Um, right. So there goes 347. There goes 350. Almost right. So again, no difference to me, because 341 is not a magic number. It's just another level. Fubo got you a little bit, Lion. Okay. Hopefully you're still ahead though. Hopefully you're still ahead. Is Fubo still selling off, guys? Yeah, it is, right? So this is what I mean. Like just because Fubo looks amazing, like Fubo was the best looking stock in pre-market, right? Coming into the open. Look at it now. Fubo looks like garbage, doesn't it? Right? Just because something looks good in pre-market doesn't mean you have to FOMO into that thing at the market open. And if you do, let it be a quick scalp, right? Like my only trade for Fubo after the market open was a very quick scalp, right? So it has to be that way. And then guess what actually looks good after the market opens? It's GFAI, right? So it wasn't amazing coming into the open, right? This is what I mean. Like you just have to have a watch list and look through that watch list because they're gonna change. So it looks like we failed at 350, guys, right, for GFAI, which is a psychological level, right? So, well, technically we failed at 348, but where do we think that resistance is? 350, right? So the S&P just had a nice little pop, though. SPY just had a nice pop. We're hitting highs of the day. Bitcoin is like, wait for me, guys, wait for me. I want to go too. Bitcoin is at 99.6, so we want to see 100K. Dang, SPY looks nice. Why is so much pump? Because Santa is coming. I'm kidding. Um, I don't know. I was watching a whole bunch of videos, or just listening to analyst podcasts over the weekend, and a lot of them are looking for like a 20% gain, 20-30% gain in the first half of the year, and then retrace. Um, but a lot of like market analysts are looking for a huge rally into the first part of the year, right? Trump getting into office, new policies, a whole bunch of excitement is what they're looking for. But then we have the Fed. Anyways, we'll see. If you're green for the day, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat if you're green for the day. Na 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 na. Beautiful. Perfect. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go. Yeah, the Russian Santa study. Yeah, love it, guys. Yeah. No, most of you guys should be having an amazing morning just because it's been a good pre-market and market open a bit of a different story, but a lot of you guys should be green in your long-term accounts as well. So beautiful. It looks like Fubo is bouncing up $3. Um, again, I wouldn't count Fubo out at all. Why? Because it's still above the 200 EMA, right? Anytime a stock is above the 200 EMA, you don't give up on it, especially when it has the momentum, right? So for now, hopefully Fubo can stay above $3. It would be nice if we got a higher low or like just a double bottom, either or. That's good to me. But you always want to give these things time at the open to consolidate and then go from there. Go from there. Alrighty. Cool, cool, cool. Beautiful. It looks like SPRC is still looking amazing, guys. It's actually halted up, right? So this is the one we kept talking about this morning. Like, oh my god, it's bouncing up the 200 EMA. Oh my god, it's bouncing up the white line, right? That's the one. And there it goes popping again, right? Quite a few times this morning, right? Beautiful white line. Virus knows all about those white lines. I'm kidding. But anyways, so your next resistance after we on halt would be if you look to the left hand side, it's closer to $1.15, $1.20, right? Left hand side, right there, supply zone. So it does look good. I like when a stock does that, right? So again, 200 EMA, a little bit of consolidation, and then pop, pop, pop. So that looks good. Congratulations if you're in this one. Uh, he does, Jameson. Hey, yo, Tyson, Bob. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. CNSP now, is that Dunsky's? I really need to look at that. For some reason, I keep slacking. Let me look at that now, though. CNSP. Um, yeah, this chart looks beautiful, and obviously, by judging by the circles and the lines, we've talked about this one already, right? So it looks like we talked about CNSP when it was bottoming around this price. These bottoms, that would have been a nice entry, 10 cents. So now it looks really good. So your question then is like you're asking if it's done. Your next resistance seems to be 17 cents. So right there, right, 17 cents, which aligns with the 50-day moving average as well. That yellow line at the top there, Jeff, that's your next resistance, 17 cents. And if you break above that, well, might as well just call it 20 cents, right? But that time frame doesn't always give us like the best, especially for momentum, because you look at it on the daily and it looks amazing. That's because you're taking into account like multiple daily candles, and then you look at the 1 minute and you're like, oh yeah, that kind of looks a bit sus, doesn't it? So is this stock done though? No, it's not. I wouldn't say this is done, Jeff. Especially if we stay above this demand zone at the bottom, because it's been holding that level all morning in pre-market especially. So 1380, 1360, as long as it stays above that, I think you're fine. Jeff says, please buy it. Please buy it. There goes GFAI, guys. New highs of the day. So that's looking amazing. Amazings. So we want to see a boomski, more boomskis. More boomskis for GFAI. Looking good. AK, yeah, it broke out, but it hasn't closed yet, right? So for me to consider something a breakout, it has to close a candle above the level that it, um, so two ways that I think of like breakouts, right? So number one is I need to be watching that stock and it has to be failing at that level for a long, long, long time. So let me give you an example here. So let's say we're watching a stock, right? And let's say this is resistance and that's resistance, right? The only time that I will FOMO into a breakout is if a stock is basically just starting out, right? And it's failed and it just keeps sitting in that level. Like it's sitting and sitting and it's failing and failing and failing, and then it breaks out, right? Like I'm willing to FOMO at that price when the candle hasn't closed yet, because I know that it's been failing for a long time. So when it breaks, I almost feel like it's gonna be really exciting, right? Whereas when you push up there the first time and you come back down and you go there the second time, to me that looks like almost a double top, if that makes sense, right? So look at GFAI, right? So in the case of like GFAI, then you want to be patient and make sure the candle actually does close above it, because it hasn't tested that level too many times, right? It's only been there twice. So I'm like, okay, is it a double top or is it a breakout? I don't know. So I need to wait for the candle to close, right? Whereas when you see like a stock coiling and coiling and coiling and coiling, then you're like, oh, cool, right? I don't know what you're talking about, Paul, right? Paul says GFAI cannot break above 341. Well, that last candle went to 355, right? The previous top went to 348. So a little bit, a little bit different, right? I know you really want to stick to that 341 resistance, but that 341 makes no difference to me. And here goes 344 again. That was FOMO. Well, it might be, but you're short though. Yeah, hopefully you make monies though, right? I'd be happy if you make monies. Alrighty. There goes SPRC, guys. SPRC just said, and what? And thrust. So there's that 320 resistance we talked about. Let's see if we can close above it though. $3.20. Ayo, Kimbella, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. You're late to the party. Late. So there's that 320, and then post 320, you're looking for 325, right? Grim, are you still in this one? I know we were watching this one nice closely this morning. I want to look at Bitcoin though. So Bitcoin broke above 100K again, guys. So BTC looks nice, right? So finally back above $100,000 Bitcoin. If you bought the dips on Bitcoin, guys, congratulations. Alrighty. 41 to 05. Paul, congratulations. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I will celebrate the gains, whether you're short or long. I will celebrate the monies. So there goes, we're almost back to 101. If you bought the dip on Bitcoin, type in yes in the chat. If you bought the BTC dip skis, type in yes in the chat because you should be happy, smiling today. Fubo actually came back, which is what we were asking for, right, guys? So Fubo came back to retest that 310 level. It really needs to be a double bottom, though. Like it needs to consolidate here if it's going to give us that push, right? So if you were looking for Fubo earlier, Greg, right? So again, weakness. It looked really good coming into the open, but then people had to take profits, and also it has a 300 million share float. That's a negative, right? For now, Fubo, I like what Fubo is doing if we can find a way to consolidate above 310. Alrighty. So if we can consolidate above, that's a double bottom. I don't think Fubo is quite done yet just because we're sitting above the 200 EMA. But if we start to break below this 310, we might have a bit of a problem. Alrighty. Cool. Cool. Okay. Moving on. Yeah, Bitcoin is on fire. Fire. Okay, let me go back to SPRC, guys. SPRC isn't halted. I'm surprised they didn't halt it because that looks really good. So congratulations, Grimmy Grim. Grim Monies. Did we zoom out on this one? I don't think we did, right? Don't think we did. Let me do that right now. Because I think that level we were looking at was on a smaller time frame. I just want to see what the daily looks like on this thing. Cool. Yeah, you can see that last wick. Look at that candle right there. This was July 24, right? July 16, 2024. That candle is right there at 331. Funny enough, we failed at 330 today. We're still kind of sitting there. So let's call it 330. Alrighty. So 330 resistance on that last candle. And then if you go a little bit to the left, you're looking for 345-ish. Alrighty. So you can kind of see that these numbers are all around like psychological levels, right? So 330, 350. Am I saying 330? $1.30. $1.30, $1.50. I'm getting Grim all excited. Like SPRC3? No. So $1.30, $1.50. Those would be your next two levels for again, they're very common levels though, right? Like psychological levels. But those are your next two resistance levels there. Here comes that 130 again. So July 2024, we failed at $1.30 and then came back down. And it looks like it wants to break out. It's fighting. I haven't, Jeff. I haven't. It's not a Youngit, Josh. Let me go take a look. It does, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Let's go. 329. Just break out already. My goodness. And then CNSP is actually coming back to retest that bottom level, isn't it? So Jeff, for you, right? Like I think we said like 360 earlier, three, whatever it is. This range here, Jeff. And then I think Raven is in this as well, right? CNXP. So you might honestly round that down and say 350 is your support, right? So to Paul, you could have also shorted at 350 and then have it sold off, right? Anyways, moving on. Bitcoin is at 101, guys, looking beautiful, beautiful, very very beautiful, magnifique, chef's kiss. And then Spy is pushing for 98, so I want to see 600 today. Spy 600. Let's start the the year off on fire, on fire. MEGL looks like a China rubbish stock. RHE looks like it bounced off that 200 really nicely, actually. Really nicely. 260% for the day. Haven't really talked about this one a whole bunch, but it bounced off the 200. Yeah. Paul, boom, to zero. Zero. There goes the S&P. Highs of the day, guys. Loving it. Loving it. Loving it. Beautiful. This is a good way to, to come back to the stream. Good way. It's a good way to start the year off. 108. Sheesh, my goodness. See, I don't know. Yeah. Hmm. There goes Fubo, guys. Fubo is nice and slow. Still consolidating about 310. Still consolidating. I'm just scrolling here. I want to see if there's anything else that we like that we're missing. Oh no 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 no. Okay. Perfect. Okay, there we go. You're shorting Fubo? Yeah. I mean Fubo really again, like watch that 310. Make sure it doesn't curl there. It's not really curling yet. So until it does, it's still showing a lot of weakness, Paul. So yep. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep. CNSP is bouncing off that exact same support we just looked at, right, guys? So, Jeff, you're saved for now, right? Beautiful. So, again, you can see that support on the left hand side there, right there. That's the exact same level that it's bouncing at right now. So, as long as CNSP can stay above that bottom, you have a chance, Jeff. There's hope. There is hope. And then you can see that 130 resistance we just looked at on the daily time frame for SPRC is resistance on a 1 minute time frame, right? So very important to always go back and look at history, right? That's all technical analysis is, right? You're going to look at the past to predict the future, basically. So that July 16, 2024, it filled at that spot. Today it's feeling at the exact same spot. Is it done? I don't think you can quite say that yet, right? Because until you're getting consistent like lower highs and lower lows, you can't really count out a stock. But for now, it's filled that resistance. You bought some more. That's why it's bouncing off that level. Because Jeff is buying the damn dip skis. The deep skis. Box L is halted up. You're in at 61 cents. Monies. Monies. Oh, interesting. I'm surprised some of these Bitcoin names are not up a lot more. Surprised they are not up a lot more. ARBE. Okay, let me take a look at Box L here. Box Light. Oof, that thing moved very quickly, Grim. Very quickly. Why do I feel like this is Grim money? All Grim monies, All Grim monies. Is Fubo actually still consolidating? It is, isn't it? I wonder if it's actually going to stay above that level. It's trying to. It's really fighting, which again, this is exactly what we asked for, right? Like, you don't want a stock to just come back down once and then go boom skis, right? Because usually you miss that stuff. But if it can find a way to really build support above $3.10 for Fubo, then okay, fine. Then we can actually make some monies, you know. Uh, DJ Sean, you have 3,000 shares of Fubo at $1.60. Very nice. I mean, you doubled your monies at some point, right? I would say take out your initial investment at the very least, right? Like I'm yapping on about this double bottom here, right? It looks like it's double bottoming off $3.10. So, but again, you doubled your money at some point on that trade with those 3,000 shares, right? You have a lot of shares, right? I would say again, take out your initial investment. Maybe watch for a second though and see what's happening here because it looks like it's finding a base, right? Because if that thing pops off here, then you can sell it a little bit higher. But when you double your money like that, take out your initial investment and then put a stop loss on the rest, right? So at the end of the day you're going to come out on top, right? So but it's fighting here now though, right? Which is exactly what we wanted, right? Sell off, curl, come back to the same level and then curl again. So and then either way you're going to be fine. DJ Sean. Alrighty, again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. Thank you, DJ Sean, for subscribing. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to become a member and join us in Discord, guys, the link is at the bottom of the chat, right? So again, um, Fubo was getting spammed in Discord way below a dollar, right? Or again, closer to a dollar is what I'm trying to say. So again, if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Don't sign up for the sold out levels, please. Right? It's only legends and goats. So come join us in Discord and make monies. Alrighty. Virus, all the cooking. Let me go back to the options channel. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. Jericho's up 5. Oof. Oof, beautiful, right? Those AMDs. Those AMDs are nice. And Microsoft. Virus is cooking in the options cooking lab. So a whole bunch of people. A whole bunch of peoples, which is amazing. So again, congratulations if you're having a green morning, which a lot of you guys should. Grim, this thing is still halted at 76%. So let's see what happens when it gets on halted here. That's BOXL, right? SPRC is curling after retesting, so that's a good thing. Teamwork, Virus, teamwork. So SPRC needs to break above that $1.30, and then we're looking for $1.50. Alrighty, but that's looking good though, right? Bit of susness there. GFAI doesn't look like it's quite done yet. It didn't really create new lows, right? It's basically just playing in a range for now. So it's playing between $3.50 and $3. GFAI, right? Up, down, up, down. So it's gonna need to decide here. We break down, okay, we sell off 280. We break above that, and then okay, fine, let's pump it. So Newland says, I'm new to trading. I just bought 400 shares of Fubo at 320. Should I wait to increase since the Disney deal? No, if you're really wanting to trade that stock, Newland, forget about the Disney deal. I like what Fubo is doing here. I really like what it's doing because it's doing exactly what we wanted, right? Double bottom, $3.10, curl, right? So if you did that, you're green on that position, right? Beautiful. Now, what you have to do is forget about the Disney deal, manage your trade, right? When you're trading, it's not always about the news, it's more about the technical and you managing your position, right? So manage your position. Stay green, put a stop loss. Whatever is happening with the deal can happen. Just be green though, please. SPRC just broke out and halted up, guys. So that looks amazing. If you're holding SPRC, still type in yes in the chat, guys. Right? If you're holding SPRC, type in yes in the chat. Yeah, Archer. Yeah, beautiful. So $1.36, right? So that 130 was our first resistance level, and then 150 is our next level, right? Does Fubo look good, guys? Yeah, Fubo looks nice, right? Off that support. So again, not quite sure if the volume will come through though, so it can push back above like 350. Not sure, right? But again, it's bouncing off that 310. So King says Fubo got stopped out at 336. I jumped back in at 310 to 320. Beautiful. Made the money's back, right, King? Beautiful. So this is why, like, I'm like, okay, if a stock is breaking below support, guys, sell it, right? Don't sit there and be like, oh my god, but I don't want to lose my 10 cents, right? I would rather you sell this thing if it's breaking right there and then look for the next support. Because then, if imagine you bought this thing at 340, right? Or imagine you bought it, you're like, you know what, 350 sounds nice. I want to buy this thing at 350, and then it breaks below really quickly and it's at 340, and then you sell it. Well, guess what? You can wait till it consolidates next, and then you're like, oh, okay, 310 is holding. Let me buy 310. At 320, you made all your money back, right? Whereas if you keep that thing at 350 and it goes to 310 and then it comes all the way back to 330, guess what? You're still red, right? I would rather you take that 10 cents and wait for it to consolidate, and then you make the 10 cents back, right? Bill? Yeah. So again, that looks okay. It needs volume though. This one's gonna be difficult. Why? Because it has 300 million damn shares, right? This is gonna be like pushing AMC up the hill, and then SPRC is the nice one, right? Because it has a super nice float. Well, better float. And then GFAI is still just kind of playing in the middle. It's not sure what it wants to do yet. So it's gonna need to break out or just Anyway, so the S&P looks nice, right? Testing highs of the day on that last candle, so beautiful, right? And then Bitcoin just looks nice too. So for now, we wait for SPRC to get on halted, and then go from there. Boxes on halted, Grim. It looked like it. Yeah, it on halted and came back down. I think it just moved really quickly. Moved really, really quickly. King, I agree. I agree. Ooh, wee virus. My goodness. All I see is cooking in the options lab. All I see is cooking, cooking, cooking. So there you go. Again, AMD tested like everybody's patience, but made monies, right? Virus was spamming Microsoft today. Made monies, right? So yeah, you are Grim. Ah, love it. So yeah, there it goes. It's curling back above to the 80s again. So that looks good. 82. Oof. This is Grim monies again at work. Uh, okay, perfect. Yeah, so that kind of looks like a double top at 86. 86, but maybe it's going to break above on this push though. 84, 85, 86. And that thing said, thanks, guys. You cannot remember? Well, I need you to remember. Do we have a one-on-one today? I think we do, Grim. I think we do. I think we do in like 2 hours, maybe. Yeah, 2 hours. I think in 2 hours we have a one-on-one. Do do do. Yeah. So there goes that 150. $1.50 SPRC. That was the next resistance on the daily, by the way. Right? That was the next resistance there, but it looks like it's gonna destroy that level. Destroy it. Yeah, Exos. Yeah, exactly. So now we need to break and close above $1.50, and then we can zoom out again. I only looked at two levels: $1.30 and $1.50. If we close a candle above $1.50, then I'm gonna zoom out. It looks really good. So congratulations if you're in this. Congratulations, GFAI. It's curling. Yeah, it's still in range, but curling. Dang, SPRC looks nice. Grim, tell me you're still in it. Tell me you're still in there. I see why. Okay. Arona, the runners are running. Grim, I have nothing to say to you. I have runners. Yeah, random stuff. I'm glad you didn't as well. So Fubo is still looking good, guys. Right? I think we just had SPRC halt up. So 162 and halted, and what? And thrust. Ooh, beautiful. So again, congratulations if you're still in this thing, because it looks amazing. Amazing. This is the perfect Monday, isn't it? Good scalps, market looking good. So Fubo is looking really good. Again, if you got in at $3.10 ish, type in yes in the chat. You just have to be aware that you have some resistance at 340 there. Alrighty, 340 resistance. But if you bought the double bottoms ish on Fubo, type in yes in the chat. This is why again patience is required on some of these things. Right? Patience is required. You have to be patient. Box needs to break out there. Looks like it wants to. It really wants to. And then there goes GFAI, right? GFAI wants to go as well. So you can't really count GFAI out. Why? Because the damn thing isn't really giving you any new lows, right? It's just going in range, right? So 350, $3, 350, $3, and then what's his and then Paul is gonna say 341. But for some reason 341 hasn't really been a problem at all, which is there goes 350. They're going once, going twice, and waving to Paul. GFAI looking beautiful. Give us new highs of the day, please. Give it to us. So we still haven't closed about 350 yet, but we've had candles close about 341. Paul. So yeah, 350 is your resistance next dia. So let's see what happens. Wee. Ooh, box looks nice, Grim. Box looks very nice. Did anybody follow Grim into this one? Box is looking very, very nice. Looking very nice, box. You did I don't know why I first time in this channel, subscribe for life. Let's go, Exos. Welcome to the community, Exos. If you want to join us in Discord, come join us because you're gonna cook more that way, right? We're in Discord all day long, whereas we're only on stream for a few hours, right? So again, guys, if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Become a member. Not the soda levels, please. The legend or the goat. Come join us in Discord, and you're gonna cook all day long. So, already, come join us. Come join us, and let us cook together. Together. Yeah, box L looks nice. Woo, 97 cents. Very, very nice. Keep going for $1, Grim. $1, $1. So it looks like Fubo failed that VWAP in the 50s. So 340 resistance already. SPY looks nice. Stalling a little bit at the top there. Bitcoin looks nice. Nothing really much to say. GFAI is crushing it, right? So again, we posted this one last night as a watch, right? So it's at the highs of the day now. So GFAI. So again, good job if you're in this one. Good jobs. Good jobs. Good jobs. Win $1, Grim. There you go. Out for the day. Are you done, Lion? Did you make your daily goal? You're done? There goes 104. 104 for box. Looking amazing. Just like that, it's gone up 122%. Oh, here comes Pizza, guys. Here is Pizza. Pizza is here. Rose 2024. Even with all that snow, you still can't measure up. You need a step suit to reach eye level with humility. Told you was coming. Pizza. I can't believe you. I cannot believe you. Just wait till I play you again in fantasy. I will slap you for the second time. Well done, Lion. Peter, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Let's see. Beautiful. Spy's going for that 600, isn't it? 2025. Yeah. Rose 2025. See, he got it wrong. Love it. I like it a lot. SPRC is pushing. So unhalted and pushing 227%, guys. So beautiful. What a way to start the week, guys. I like it a lot. I like it a lot, a lot. It's my annual post. Liz knows. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Not quite sure what we want to do here with GFAI, but it does look really good. So, Paul, you closed your short position on this thing, though, right? There goes Fubo, guys. Again, Fubo broke above that 340, which is nice, right? So again, Fubo, beautiful support at $3.10, really good support level, and here we are going for 350. Does that look nice? Very nice, right? Dang, I wish I got in again. I didn't get in on this one on that second test there. Even though that's what we wanted, I was just looking at something else. I blame Peter for this one. That was a nice, easy trade, especially with that float. Nice and easy. Nice and slow. If you're still in Fubo, type in yes in the chat. You did, Paul? Very nice. Congratulations. Very, very nice. Looks like it's trying to break that trend line there too, so that's good. Very, very nice. Yes, Ace. Yeah, it does. It does. I think it's because I moved the light because it was in my face, so then I moved it and it created shadows. But yeah, yeah, it was right in my face, so I just wanted to move it, Pizza. Then yeah, it is creating shadows on the green screen. I need to yeah, I need to fix it again. You are, Bill? Love it. You're thinking about cashing out, not a bad spot at all, right? Closer to 350. So that last spot was 355. So King, not bad at all. Well done, CM. You're holding 200 shares at $1.42. Beautiful. Congratulations, Jack. You did. Newland, congratulations. Thanks for the very welcome. So again, 350 is your next resistance, right? So and also there's a bit of a downtrend there. So yeah, just be mindful. But really good, nice little scalpy, right? We kind of walked through this one together from support, double bottom, right? Again, it did exactly what we wanted. So I like when charts behave like this. I find it really difficult sometimes, to pick a level. Like I think it's a more of a psychological thing, not a technical thing. I find it difficult for me to jump into a stock when it gets to that level the first time, but when it gets there the second time and it's consolidating, I feel a bit more comfortable because it's done that in the past, right? And that's exactly what this has done. So it needs to break out though, right? SPRC is now halted down. Pizza. Maybe in 2020, 30. Just kidding. Not kidding. Anyways, GFAI looking beautiful, right? So $400, love it. Look at that, guys. Look at our GFAI go. Looking very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I like it a lot, GFAI. I like it a lot. Again, if you're still holding this one, type in yes in the chat, GFAI. Looking very beautiful. 193. Set 170 left. Okay, I like it. 2020 30. Grim. You know? I like it. I like it. It's from $2.65 at the bottom there. The 380. Love it. Well done, Will. Lorenda, love it. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. It's a nice, beautiful 100% push. Beautiful. Yeah, I like how you're scaling out on that thing, Bill. Especially when it's creating higher lows anyways, and or just creating highs. I think that's the right way to do it. Fubo still looks good to me. Not overly concerned there. Bitcoin looks nice. No concerns. SPY looks nice. Everything looks nice. Well, except for some of these other ones that we really haven't been talking about, but and then we filled in the supply zone here for our box. So let's go back here to GFAI. Mullen, yeah. New Year Mullen is still trash. What's up with that? I want to see what Mullen is doing. Just for Peter, because that might be a good stock for Peter to buy. I'm kidding, by the way. When's Mullen's next split? I feel like it's coming. Ooh, Mullen is at support, guys. 92 cents. 90 cents. Mullen is at support. Yeah. Where's AMC at? Oh, so is AMC, guys. AMC is also at support. Garbage. Unbelievable. Anyways, can you give us another breakout GFAI, please? We would like that very much. There goes 83. New highs of the day. Beautiful. Looks like are you still in box, Graham? Or you out of that thing? Looks like it's trying to go for another run here. Here goes 107, 108, 109, 111. Highs of the day. Very nice. You're all out of it now? Okay, yeah, that looks nice. That was a very good scalp for you. Very good scalp. 3%. Dang, very nice. Like what the markets are doing today. This is honestly why though, guys. Bigger picture wise. I'm just daydreaming and looking at other charts here. This is why you cannot, like, it's really important to dollar cost average when the markets are dipping, right? Because there were a whole bunch of people last week saying, "Oh my goodness, spy is gonna go to this is gonna happen, this is gonna happen." Like if you're interested in like long term stuff, you just have to dollar cost average, right? There goes Fubo, beautiful, Grim, beautiful, very beautiful. Right? You really just have to dollar cost average. Same thing for Bitcoin, right? People are like, "Oh my goodness, Bitcoin is going to the 70s, to the 80s," right? If you believe in something and you've done the research, you just have to stay on course and dollar cost average, right? Because now Bitcoin is back above 100K, right? What happened to the low 90s? Gone, right? What happened to SPY at 550, 580, right? Well, it's going for 600 now. So you just have to dollar cost average. Otherwise, you find yourself in a spot you don't want to be in. It's only a matter of time, Raven. More splits, and you're gonna see that. Noho says, "I've seen enough, guys. I'm becoming a legend member. Become a member. Come join us." Yeah. Always DCA into solid companies. Absolutely, virus, right? Look at NVIDIA, right? NVIDIA has actually behaved really well over like the last dip. NVIDIA actually behaved really well, but look at it though, right? NVIDIA's at the highs of the day. NVIDIA is $2 away from all-time highs. What happened to the market crash? Right? Dollar cost average into beautiful long-term investments, and you're gonna make monies. Make monies. Let's go. We have a new legend member, guys. Nahul. We have a new legend in town. Nahul, welcome to the community. Alrighty. So your invite link should be under the community section on YouTube. If you can't find it, just let me know in the chat here, and I'll send it to you. But yeah, dollar cost average. Alrighty, and you'll be okay. Especially if it's solid companies. Box L is still pumping there. It's pumping. The runner is running. So that usual 120 resistance is going to be your next obstacle if you're interested in box L. $1.20. The usual resistance. SPRC is on halted and still selling off. In terms of support, watch for $1.30, guys. That was your last double top, right? So look to the left hand side there. That's your last double top for SPRC. So the closer we get to this level and we consolidate, that might be your next level. If we actually are curling, that might be your next level. Cool, cool. Cool. Looks like RHE is trying to curl up the 200 EMA there, Grim. So see what happens. See what happens. And then Fubo popped and then came back down. Again, Fubo $3.55. You guys remember that level? 355. Remember that? Yeah. That's your next. That was that next resistance, right? So from $3.10 to 355, and then resistance, and then dipskis. Deep skis. Box L is like resistance where 120 who? Catch me outside. How about that? So that thing is done really, really well. Again, congratulations if you're in this one. Because that thing is on fire. My goodness. Beautiful. Uh there we go. Perfect. 47, Vero. You're looking forward? Nuhul, again, yeah. So your invite link for Discord should be under the community section on YouTube. If you can't find it, just let me know. Alrighty? If you can't find it, let me know and I'll why do I keep going back and forth there? Oh, Veru. I like it, Grim. I like it. Dang, box is going. You're in the Discord? Okay, just give it a second. It will refresh itself and then it will give you all the channels. In Canada, Adeline, depends what type of crypto and stocks you're looking to play, right? If you're looking for a platform that gives you access to crypto and stocks, Wealth Simple does that, but it only gives you access to like the main stocks and the main crypto, so not the best. If you're looking to separate it though and do stocks on a different platform and crypto on a different platform, Coinbase is good for stocks, and then for crypto, sorry, and then for stocks, you're looking for like interactive brokers. Alrighty. Yeah, Fubo is looking nice. It still needs to break above like 355 and close above it, and then you're good from there. Alrighty. And box tap that supply zone, and then it's coming back down. So hopefully you're taking profits, guys. Take profits on the way up. Pay yourself on the way up. AJ, nothing will ever be done. Nothing is ever done as long as it stays above the 200 EMA. That's my one rule, at the very least, right? I will not ever count a stock out as long as it stays above this beautiful white line, right? So again, that $3.10 was nice, and now we need to break about 355, which we have, and close above it, right? And then you're looking for the next resistance. But Fubo is not done yet. Nothing is done above the 200 EMA ever, unless it's AMC. AMC is always below the 200. So yeah, it's virus. That was teamwork. That was teamwork. I saw Grim spam that, and then I started looking. But teamwork, Jay. Well done. $150 money in 5 seconds. Monies. Oh yeah, you played the breakout basically. Well done, Jay. Well done. I like it a lot. Sorry, Dennis. Sorry. Yeah, I was looking at that this morning, and then I just started looking at other stuff. Jeff. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. You're in at 20 cents. Okay, I'll take a look. Yeah, that thing looked interesting to me this morning. Um, okay. 5 seconds. $150 in 5 seconds, guys. Who gets paid that much in 5 seconds? Ooh, look at Box go. Box is like, let me cook. Yeah, Box looks really nice. I like it a lot. Oh, virus. This is. Are you seeing this, Grim? Seeing this? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, there we go. So Dennis, you got it at 94 out of 120. Congratulations. Give me a high five. Well done. Well done. There goes Fubo, guys. Fubo's back to 370. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like it a lot. Congratulations. So yeah, again, your next level there. I don't think I really care about this line here at 75. I think that was a pre-market line. At this point, it just needs to keep going and then just creating higher lows, Fubo, right? So Varys, unbelievable. I have nothing to say to you. Let's see if we break above 375 here with ease. With ease. Box L is amazing though. That thing is just going 220%, guys. Beautiful. Newland, this is the most informative stream I've ever seen. Yeah, that's because we don't really we love when people win, right? There's no better feeling than seeing other people win. You know, Box L is halted up, guys. There's no better feeling, and that's why I really enjoy that the community embraces that. Like everybody is helping everybody else, right? There's nothing better than that. So it's nice to make monies alone. It's better to make monies with other people, right? Better. It's better. So again, we're gonna hop off in about an yeah, we have a lot of time. We have over an hour still, right? So lots of time. So again, if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord because when we get off, we cook even more, right? We just keep cooking. I'm just kidding, but same. Yeah, absolutely virus with Adasville. uh, I know the African accent comes through every once in a while, you know. Well, always with others. Uh, love it. So again, Fubo looks amazing, right? Beautiful bottom bounce. It's still going, so that looks good. Congratulations if you're in there. These are just updates. The S&P looks nice, nothing to worry about. Bitcoin looks beautiful, right? If you bought the dips, congratulations. No Cameroonian, Bill. GFAI looks like it's selling off but retesting that previous level. So watch for $3 for support if you're interested in that thing. RHE still looks okay just because it's holding $4.40. MEGL, we haven't really talked about this one today because it looks like garbage, right? There's really nothing to see there for now. SPRC, beautiful run. Hopefully you pay yourself on the way up. Your next support is between like $1.10 to $1.20. SPRC, if you're interested in that. Alrighty. Box L is halted up. This is the newest shiny toy, Box L. Alrighty. And then ARBE. Looking a bit sus, but watch for support around 370. Cool? Cool. Alrighty. Let me take a look at ADTX. Rita, are you making monies? Monies. ADTX looks like it's curling off. You got in at 20 cents, Jeff. That's not bad, right? Your support is like 1970. So as long as it stays above 1970, you're fine. KITT. KITT, that thing looks weak to me, right? I don't like when stocks are constantly creating lower highs. And also, what have we been saying this whole time, guys, right? If a stock is above the 200 EMA, it's not dead, right? Trust the white line, trust the white line, trust the white line, right? Guess what? Guess what, guys? Right? This stock broke below the white line right there. When your stock is below the white line, I don't like it. No, no, thank you, right? This stock broke below the white line right there. $6.70, right? right there. When that happens, guess what? It's at $4.70 at the low, right? So yeah, right? Yeah, right? Okay. So when a stock is above the white line, we trusted that okay, even if I mess up, like if I buy a stock and I mess up, I'm like, okay, please save me, Mr. White Line, right? If my stock breaks below the white line though, I know I'm going to hell, basically. Bonjour, bonjour, Messi, ça va? Ça va, ça va? What's your question for CMND? Let me know though. Anyways, moving on. What time should you pull out of GFAI? Whenever you are happy with your monies. Right. So let me take a look. GFAI. So again, we've been talking about GFAI since yesterday, right? Um, that thing is up. It was up a lot more. And like I said earlier, it has support between 310 and 320. So if it stays above that, you should be okay. But stay green though, right? Stay green, please. When a stock is pumping like that, you want to be taking profits on the way up or moving your stop loss up, right? Don't just hold it and wait. Messi, what's your position? What's your position in CNMD? Let me know. Je vais faire un poupou. Don't do that, please, Bill. Don't do it. What did you play with, Bill? What stock? No, 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 no. Let me in on the Bitcoin next time. Fire poke. Bitcoin's been dipping the whole time. The whole time. The only downside to Veru here, Grim, is that supply zone at the usual, right? Closer to 50 cents. But a little bit more volume and that thing cooks that level. What's your position, Messi? Are you in it? What's your position? Oh, Fubo is looking nice. Fubo's looking nice. hmm Only if Fubo can just go back up and break that $4, and then start pushing for those pre-market highs. That would be nice. But again, if you were patient enough, guys, Fubo gave you an entry, right? You don't need to be like FOMOing into these stocks at the open. You don't need to be like, oh my goodness, but like Fubo is pumping at the open. I want to get in. Oh my God, right? Give it time, right? Because then it gives you a safer entry, which is exactly what it's done. A multi-day runner, multi-day runner. Just stay green, please, right? So hopefully this isn't a double top because that's what it's doing right now, right? It opened around 390 and then flushed, right? Now this second run has gone to 390 and it's dipping again. So we need to see a higher low, higher low. Alrighty, box L on halted and popped to 150 and then halted down. So pay yourself on the way up. Pay yourself on the way up. I know, right? All these messy fans. Rubbish. CR7, please. Ronaldo. Where did you go, Yi? What happened? Where did you go? Perfect. The market is amazing. Today's been a fire day. You take it, Yogi? Come on, Yogi. Give me a high five. Come on. Love it. So yeah, Fubo was a very nice scalp. I am kind of annoyed I only scalped that thing once, but only scalped it once. What's this one that's this one has a bit of unusual volume here. Not sure why, but it's a penny stock. Maybe this is a Raven play. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Job. There goes job. There goes job, guys. Job is cooking. Job the penny stock. JOB. Job is like I have a job to do, and that is to cook. Job 28 cents. Oh, they had news. Okay, that's the okay, perfect. Job 28. Anyways, so at some point though, we need to consolidate above 27 just because that's the pre-market double top, right? Or come back and retest it. So if you're not in this already, maybe wait for that retest. And then obviously the major resistance level would be closer to 30 cents, but not a bad pop, right? You just need to see this thing give you a dip or consolidate above this previous double top before you make a decision. Otherwise, you're buying very close to that supply zone and then you might cry. Yeah, Grim, IE, yeah. Yep. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah, no, this is the perfect way to start the week, with some cooking. Some cooking. Truck is looking nice, yeah. Cooking in stocks, cooking in options. Virus is going to the woods. He is calling his friends to make sure they're making monies. Grim is focused on the monies. Yogi's making monies. Bill, no more poo poo, please. Age is smiling. Uh, smiling. There we go. Yeah, see, so that's why you want to be careful with a name like Job, right? Because it popped really quickly, so you want to be a bit more cautious. What am I looking at here? Okay. Actually, let's leave it on this here. Doo-doo-doo. Perfect. I'm gonna. AJ, don't worry. I know you're smiling. Why? Because you're making monies. There goes Bitcoin, guys. 102 almost. I want to see all-time highs for Bitcoin. I'm glad this is happening. Like, let me. I'm glad this is happening after we had dips. After we had dipskis. What's your average on Veru, Grim? What's your average on Veru? Let me see Veru. No. Yeah. Veru. 47 cents? Okay, that's not bad. Yeah, let's see if that thing consolidates. No. SPPL. I'll take a look. I take a look skis. Interesting. SPPL. Oh, okay, I see. No. Okay. SPPL. Robotics. Let me pull up the daily here. Okay. That thing looks like a double top today, IE. These are daily candles, by the way. So this 180 seems to be a big problem for this stock. Okay, that time frame doesn't really help me other than confirming what like just resistance. Okay, you're kind of looking for. Okay, I can see what you're looking for there. Yeah, as long as it stays above $1.40, I don't mind that at all. As long as it stays above $1.40. Okay. You're done for the day. Okay, sounds good, Paul. Where are you traveling to? Just want to look at more daily charts here. Oh, you're going back home? Okay, beautiful. Okay, send us pictures. Send us pictures, Paul. Send us pictures. Yeah, no, Bitcoin looks amazing. Amazing. I want to say Bitcoin back to the highs and SPY back to the highs. That's it. That's it, Okay. Bitcoin looks amazing. Box L is losing some of the gains, but that's okay because that was a really nice run. SPRC looks like it's curling back off one of these levels, so $1.20, right? Surprise, maybe not so much, but really good curl. GFAI again, same range ish, right? Holding that demand zone, so 320. Yeah, and obviously Bitcoin is breaking above 102, so that's looking good. So again, guys, congratulations if you bought the Bitcoin dips. Right? I mean, don't know what else to say. Right. So do your research and dollar cost average sits. Let's go, virus. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Why CBD? Yeah, Raven likes that one too. Why CBD? Yeah, it just needs a bit more volume too. Fubo still looks okay to me. But we need to start breaking above those previous highs though. Need to start breaking those previous highs there. Yeah, Spy wants to push for 89 for 98. Go. Yeah, you've done really well with those leverage plays, i.e. Very well. That's very nice. BTC dips no, MSTY and Coney. Yeah. Jeff, beautiful. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yeah, today's a good day. Yeah, it's halted up again. It's actually a good retest, Jay. Good retest of $1.20, right? So really good retest. Hmm. Interesting spread. Very interesting spread. Huh. Today is the biggest news day. Yeah. Yeah. And it's nice too that these names, they have news and they have follow through. So that's really good. Not always the case. Not always the case. Let's see. Okay. Did I look up the wrong stock maybe? Oh no. Okay. I see why. I see why Grim. Okay. Yeah, that's because it's coming from 47 cents. Why CBD? Even though it's still red for the day. Yeah, we can start talking about swing plays, guys, when when we're about to hop off. And then we can see some swing plays. I need some more swing plays. So you guys need to give me more ideas. Laura, good morning. You're doing a good job, by the way, Laura. You had one job today, and you're only $1 from that one job. So give me a high five. $1, Laura. Good. Spy 2% day today, please and thank you. I'm kidding, by the way. 55. Yes, Tesh, do it. Do it. So yeah, box is still halted up. GFAI is retesting to test that 200 EMA at $3. The markets look good. Fubo looks nice still, right? So clearly Fubo just wants to slowly creep up, which is what a big float does. Um, okay, your 98s are green. Beautiful, Laura. Beautiful. Congratulations. 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 Interesting, Cam. For now, right? That's what SPY does. What's with all these robotics names though? Like all getting a bit of attention. This one's getting a bit of attention too now, isn't it? PMEC, PMEC, PMEC. Not the greatest in terms of like volume though, but not the greatest volume play, but very interesting though. Cool. Anyways, we need something to squeeze though. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Where do I see Fubo going from here? Well, first things first, you need to break above the high of the day, so right below $4, and then again that pre-market high, right? So get closer to that pre-market high, and then we go from there. Uh, I'm rambling because I really don't want to give you levels, right? Because I think you should manage your trades without levels, Shimmy. But if you let me know where your position is, maybe I can help you a bit more already. So Fubo needs to break above that 390. That's the next level you should be paying attention to. So hold about 360 and then break about 390. And there goes Box, guys. Box is on halted and cooking again. My goodness. My goodness. 260% for Box. My goodness, guys. That thing said, excuse me. Excuse me. And surprised they didn't halt it back up on this candle. Hmm. Yeah, it does look good, huh? To buy put short term and add to a position. You want to DC into a position for Fubo. I don't know if I like that, right? Because I think Fubo still has that momentum in like on the way up. The I mean, so if you do that, maybe not so bad because you know there's resistance at 390. Just make sure that it doesn't break out, and you might be okay. Alrighty. So, I mean, Fubo is up 160%. Like that's a lot, right? So if you are interested in puts, just don't let it break above 390, and you should be okay. Because if it does, then you have a problem. I think it depends how the rest of the day goes, Kofi, right? So if you're watching Fubo, because I cannot predict the future, right? But if you're watching Fubo and Fubo is constantly creating higher lows and higher highs, you don't have to worry about the next few days, right? Alrighty. But if you're watching Fubo and all of a sudden like it creates a low and then it creates another low and then okay, then maybe that's it for Fubo. But I think base case now Fubo has a good catalyst, right? You would look at this as a multi-day swing play, as a multi-day runner, right? Uh, the only obstacle here now is if we fail to create new highs and you see that it's starting to break down, and for some reason we break below that 310, then you have a big problem, a big problem. Alrighty, Fubo should be halting up here. I don't know why they haven't halted it, but Fubo looks amazing. Not Fubo, sorry. Box L. Alrighty, so BOXL 175. You're welcome, Kofi. Uh, random stuff. Yeah, that's usually how it works. That's how it works. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Don't forget to smash the like, guys. I'm just looking for. Okay, there we go. Those gives are all sus virus. Ah, there he is. It's the new year and Josh is back. Let's go, Josh. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, Josh. Thank you very much, Josh. Good to see you. Welcome back. Happy freaking new year. Yeah. Bitcoin cooking, spy cooking. Everybody that bought the dips is happy. Love it. Josh, hopefully you had a good break and you're ready to cook again. Josh bought all the dips, guys. Exactly, random stuff. You live and you learn. Na 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 na. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Grim. So as long as we stay above those levels, again, no complaints. Right? No complaints at all. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, it looks like hmm. Yes, Josh. Here we go again for BOXL. So it looks like I want to zoom out and look at the daily, but I also don't really okay, perfect. There he goes, $1.83. 295%, guys. So congratulations if you're still in BOXL. Congratulations. Let me look at a different time frame here. Okay. I'm gonna leave that there. 4%. What a beautiful green day, guys. What a beautiful green day. Job looks like it wants to go now, huh? Yeah, job just spiked there. Job's like, I'm on the job, guys. I'm on the job. On the job. Last discounts? No more discounts, please. No more discounts, Josh. Yeah, job does look amazing. That thing just broke above that previous high there. Anybody holding job in the chat? Anybody? Anybody holding the JOB? CLBR. I haven't really looked at that one today. Yeah, here comes 30 cents now. Looking very good. Looking very, very good. Josh, what happened? What happened? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, I just need to, Josh, yeah, let me close out the trade and then I'll send you a link. Oh, 30 cents, guys. 30 cents, 30 cents. 31 cents, 32 cents. 33 cents. Ooh, wee. Nice little pop. Nice pops. That took a long time, didn't it? Interesting. Interesting. Oof. Very nice. Check job. We're staring at job right now. Okay, what am I supposed to be doing? Okay, perfect. Do. Actually, let me take a look. Okay. Just wanted to see what that looked like. There you go. Pump everything, please. Pump everything. Pump everything, guys. Fubo's looking amazing. Amazing. So again, here comes that 90 again, right? Here comes that 90 again for Fubo. So see if we can break above. See if we can break above this time and then cook above $4. Alrighty. So again, if you're still holding from this, 410-ish range, that was perfect. Right? Perfect, perfect. Again, it's hard to send. My goal to start the year was to send a lot of signals again, but it's pretty hard to like for me to want like to be talking about the stuff on stream and then taking trades and then sending signals at the same time. Like it's so sometimes I have to pick and choose, like with but yeah. Anyways, there goes new highs of the day for Fubo. So when I don't send signals is because sometimes I just forget because I'm in trades or like I'm doing other things and not. But I do want to. That would have been a really good signal at $3.10 for Fubo. Perfect. Yeah. So, but again, we were talking about this on stream over and over and over. 310, 310, 310, right? So, don't always need a signal, right? Don't always need a signal because they're all over the place. Yeah. Oh, you mean like the light? No, yeah, I got a light just so it would be easier on the ice, but then I put it in the wrong place, so then the shadows all over the place. So I need to fix that at some point. Not today though, because we're already on. Mike, I know, right? Only two hands, guys. Oh, my voice is clearer, huh? I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Let's go. There it is, guys. There's Fubo. Fubo said, "Hello, guys. Hello. I am Fubo. I'm here to bring you monies. I'm here to bring you monies." Fubo is pretty expensive though. So the only reason I use Fubo is because I like watching soccer and I can't really watch it on any other TV stations because Fubo bought the damn rights. So then I think it's like $70 for 3 months. Like, are you kidding me? Seriously? But do I have a choice though? No, I don't have a choice. I do not have a choice. So Fubo has my monies. But then the stock can give me my monies back. Rubbish. Happy New Year, Eric. Sounds more crisp. Okay, good. I'm trying, Mike. Yes, usually Newland, usually, right? So when we break in close above a previous high, that's usually an indication of that it wants to push higher, right? Usually, nothing's a guarantee, but usually there goes job, guys. Job is like I'm on the job. I'm on the job cooking job, cooking. Oof, my goodness, what is in cooking today, guys? What is in cooking? Yeah, yeah, Sunny. That's because you live in the States. Like in Canada, we don't have peacock. You know, we only have the Fubo, and they sell it for very expensively. Happy 2025 as well, Tara. What an amazing day in the market, guys. What an amazing day. What an amazing day. Yeah, there goes job. So highs of 3660. So amazing. Fubo, again, nothing negative to say, right? So we broke above that 390. Our next resistance here is right above 420, right? If you look to the left-hand side there, right, that breakdown. Yeah, so right there, right? So right around 420, that's our next resistance. And then so you don't want to be playing with resistance right there, right? So because it looked like we tapped it and then came back down. So close to 420, right? Psychological level, whatever level, resistance. SPY still looks amazing. Bitcoin still looks amazing. Um, everything looks amazing. Fubo looks like it wants to break out now. Job is on the job again. New highs of the day. My goodness, guys. Shish. If you're holding job, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat if you're holding the job. Yes, Kimbella, love it. Love it. Max, Dennis, Dane, Samuel, love it, guys. So just make sure you pay yourself on the way up, right? As the stock goes higher, so does your stop loss. You don't buy a stock at 25 cents, right? And then it goes to 38 cents and you let it go back to 25 cents, right? So as we go higher, so does your stop loss. You get paid for your time in the stock, right? You get paid. You can see that supply zone right below 40 cents. So it's going to need to break out, right? But it looks like it's fighting. Fight, 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 fight. So, but again, move that stop loss up. Shimmy, told you, right? Yeah, that thing is way too strong for puts. Way too strong. So Fubo has that vibe of like a multi-day swing, right? So when something looks like that and it has a catalyst, you don't want to be shorting it, right? And if you do, make sure you better have a good stop loss. Because if that thing breaks out, you will be entered. You will be entered. Job is doing a good job, Eric. From 29 to 41, monies. Love it, yeah. Love it, love it, love it, love it. That was a really good breakout. Look at that breakout, guys, right? When a stock breaks resistance, to me, it's a sign, right? It's a sign. It's a sign. And what did we say earlier, guys? When a stock is at resistance, I don't really care when a stock is testing that resistance for the second time. Because to me, that second time could be a double top. But when it's breaking after that, though, monies, 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 Mexican stallion, monies. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Yeah, there you go. Right. So the breakout was nice on that thing. So again, breakout and then no red candle. So congratulations. Kimbella, give me a high five. Yee, give me a high five. Monies. Monies. Okay, let's see here. NVIDIA is really having a good day today, yeah. A very good day today. So something that I did not know, guys. So so I was using multiple screens, right? But what I didn't know was and then like I had another Mac computer, Apple computer, but I wasn't really using it other like for like personal trading or like just like when I'm in the kitchen and I still want to be in Discord or like I still want to trade but I'm away from um but then what I didn't know was if you put the computer on right beside like your main Mac, it acts like as an additional screen. I didn't know that. I didn't know. So I'm like, yeah, extra screen. Yeah, extra screen. Yeah, yeah. You see? Yeah, like a long, long time ago. A long, long time ago. I remember quitting my job and because I wanted to trade full time. And my mom was pissed. She's like, "Are you kidding me? You kidding me? We came from the village so you could do this. You had a good job and you want anyways. Um Yeah. No, 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 no. Yeah. At the bowling alley? Yes, Dad, yes. I was a thrust dude at the corner, at the pizza place. uh, yeah. Yeah. Anyways, there goes JOB again, guys, pushing for 42 cents. Pushing. Josh, are you still in the chat? Where did Josh go? Josh, where did you go? Anyways, Okay. I know, right, Archer? How dare you want to make money? Virus, you will? Okay, okay. Send me a DM. Yeah. Here goes. Here comes 43 cents, guys. JOB. That looks amazing. Congratulations again. There we go, guys. 44 cents. That looks beautiful. Beautiful. No, it's the yeah. No, quitting my job has to be one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life, you know. But at the time, people made me feel like I just jumped anyways, off the Eiffel Tower without a parachute. You know, sometimes you have to do that. Sometimes in life you have to do that. You know, you have to jump and hope you land on your feet. And if you don't, well, you die. Everybody's gonna die anyways. So yeah, I promise it doesn't feel like that though. When you take a leap of faith, it doesn't feel like it. It doesn't feel amazing. But sometimes you have to have a bit of faith. Yeah, JOB is on fire. Just a cooking. I mean, just go for 50 cents, you know? Like, why stop here? You know? Why is my thing glitched? Why stop? Go, 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 go. Again, take profits on the way up, or at the very least, move your stop loss up. At the very least, move your stop loss up. Here comes 50 cents, guys. JOB. 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 Myatesh, absolutely. Absolutely. All the sandals, Eric. All the sandals. I know, right? Uh Mexican? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sometimes a leap of faith is required. Oh, yeah. Hmm. That was an interesting dip, actually. Okay. So it looks like we're failing at 50 cents, guys, even though we tap 51 almost, right? So 50 cents is your next level. Again, not that it's a big surprise. Your next resistance is $4.20, 425 readout for Fubo. So $4.20 ish. Is it too late to get on job, Lucas? I want to say yes, just because I mean, look at this. We started talking about this thing at what price, guys? Right? So we more than doubled, right? So we started talking about this thing around this price, around 25 cents to 50 cents. So that thing is doubled already. So the answer to the question is never yes, honestly. Like it's never too late. But risk reward and the level of like danger you're going into is always is higher the higher it goes, right? So to me, resistance at 50 cents, it needs to break that or it needs to dip. Alrighty. Also, come join us in Discord, Lucas. You can catch it sooner than 100% rally. And yeah, so for Fubo has resistance up there. That's not a big surprise, right? Also, you can kind of see T-Rexing and stalling, right? Resistance, 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 resistance. Right? Look at how many candles are failing right there. So that's a problem, right? That is a problem. You know what's not a problem, guys? Josh yet a thrust. I'm kidding.
Good morning, everybody. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Josh. Happy New Year. How are you, Josh?
Oh, man, I'm on fire. Are you kidding
Let's
me?
go. I
What a
was
great
wondering where
couple of
you
weeks.
I know I was wondering where you were when Bitcoin was pushing like this and we couldn't find you. It's because you were busy staying up and buying Bitcoin dips.
Yeah, I was up late last night trying to buy up whatever I could that we had left. Once we bounced off that shooting star and went positive,
Yeah.
it kind of just killed the whole idea of any further recession in the price. So
Mhm.
it kind of just spurred me to do a little last minute shopping, so to speak.
Yeah.
Very successful. Everything looks beautiful this morning.
Love it. Love it. Love it.
How was your New Year? How was your Christmas?
It was good. It was good. Just family time, resting time which I needed. And
Desperately.
yeah, now ready to go. Ready to make monies, please.
Outstanding. Another record year on the books, guys.
Yes, please.
Happy New Year, Posh.
Yes, please.
Hey, so I was thinking to myself, Blaze, there are few better ways to start a new year than to have a new tool, and maybe some tools for furthering your prosperity in your trade. So, as promised, I am here because someone in this chat today is winning a 1-year Legends membership.
Let's
Let's
go.
go.
Let's go, guys. My goodness.
Happy New Year, Jericho.
Amazing.
So
All
at
right.
one point, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a drawing or a giveaway, and
Mhm.
you have to already be a member of the Discord, you guys.
Love it.
Okay. But somebody, one lucky member in our Discord, is going to have a 1-year Legends membership to hone their craft over the next 12 months.
Let's go. Let's go.
That's
Let's
how
go.
Luna started. That's how Jeff started too. That
Yeah.
was the turning point in Jeff's whole career.
Yeah. Amazing. So again, if you're not a member yet, make sure you are a member. And then already, and then Josh will do the 1-year giveaway, guys. Then you can
Yeah, we'll give you
spend
guys
all.
20 minutes or so. Sorry, Blaze. Sorry.
Yeah, no, that's okay. And then yeah, just make sure you are a member, and then we'll do the giveaways for members only.
And you have to sign up. Listen, if you're not a member, you have to sign up for the proper level. That will give you access to Discord. It does tell you that when you go into select memberships.
Yes. How do you become a member? Click the link at the bottom of the chat, noodles, and then that will give you. Then just make sure you don't get the levels that say sold out.
Right.
Get levels that actually give you access to Discord already. So yeah, not the sold out levels. For job guys, again, this shouldn't be a big surprise to anybody, right? If I asked you like, hey, a stock is at 25 cents, where do you want to sell the stock? Everybody's gonna be like 50 cents, 50 cents. Well, guess what?
Yep.
Right? All the way to 50 cents, and now it's dipping a little bit. Not saying that it's done. It might just consolidate at 40 cents, the high 30s, and then go back up, which I hope is what happens. But again, when you're asking to buy a stock at 50 cents, the risk is way higher.
Yep.
Alrighty, so 50 cents
And the
resistance.
general rule for pennies, typically, you guys, anyways, it is going to be every 10 cents is resistance, and then every $half and full dollar are major resistance.
Mhm.
So if you're in a good position and you start to reach that crucial 50 cent or $1 level, you may want to think about just trimming a little bit off the top, if not, at least taking your money back, so that you don't get caught on the backside of these dips, because that was
Exactly.
substantial.
Mhm. Yep. So let's see if we can stay above 39 or just retesting the 20 in the VWAP, guys, and going back to 50 cents. But that's done really well. GFAI, I don't know if anybody's still in this. Again, hopefully you paid yourself on the way up, right? SPRC, same thing. Like we've had an amazing morning. Like all these stocks were cooking, right? Box L, same thing. Like this one like exploded up. So now they're all kind of dipping. So hopefully you guys are paying yourself on the way up and not just diamond handing. And then Fubo. Oof, beautiful. Beautiful. Noodles, again, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. That's the membership link. So click that link at the bottom, guys. Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
there's
you
two
make
levels.
crushing memes. Sorry,
I know,
Blaze.
right? He's been doing really well with that stuff, Josh.
Pump fun.
Yeah. Yeah.
And to think,
Uh,
just a few short months ago, man, Yi was, I'm new to this. There's somebody help me. Somebody help me.
uh, uh new. So the legends and goats, there's two levels, legends and goats. Come join us.
Yes, R. Newland, that is correct.
Legends and goats. And your membership is going to pay for itself, Newland, right? It's going to pay for itself. And then we will do the giveaway at some point. Josh is going to give me like a keyword or something, and then I'll put it in, and then you just have to type it in. So and then we will go from there. Yeah, Luna, are you feeling a bit more comfortable now? Is it turning around? Yeah, that's absolutely. I love when like Josh gives away those memberships and people really take advantage of them, because that's what Luna's done. So, and it takes a little bit of time, and then um, and then things turn around. So, uh, ah, interesting, perfect.
And I remember when little Fubo was just $2.
Yep, and it was getting spammed in Discord.
Yep. We did all
Spam,
right on
spam.
that trade. Not as well as I had hoped, but it wasn't bad.
No, 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 no. Yeah, that 310 for Fubo this morning was beautiful, guys. Beautiful. 310 was the spot. $3.10. Now it just has to creep up all day long. Just creep up, Fubo. Is anybody planning on like holding Fubo longer, or anybody? Because I bet you a few people are gonna hold this longer. Potentially swing it. Again, it kind of depends, guys. There's quite a few hours left in the day, but it is behaving nicely. So for now, yeah, 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 yeah.
Here, Tara, let me see if I can do something.
Tara, your membership will pay for itself. Ready? The education, the trades will pay for themselves. Don't be shy. You're gonna spend that money at McDonald's anyways. Kidding. Not kidding. La 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 la. Are you? Yeah. Are you holding YCBD still, Grim? That looks interesting, doesn't it? Let's see here. YCBD. Uh, that's not a Discord link. That's a link to become a member on YouTube. You have to become a member on YouTube, then you get the Discord link. Yeah, YCBD went from like nice and red to nice and green. That's actually quite nice. It's ripping. It's a ripper. Looks like 65 is your next little level there, YCBD. But that looks really nice.
A day like today, I think they're just like, pump everything.
Seriously. Seriously, Josh. Yep. Seriously. YCBD. Beautiful. Do, 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 do. Uh,
That's pretty funny. I'm not surprised. Even the universe doesn't like that guy. I still have yet to meet a single Canadian that's like, oh, yeah, big fan. And that's really sad because we have a lot of Canadians here, man. A lot.
Yep. Yep. Wait, he did it already? It's done?
No. I think they were just setting up the podium.
Oh, okay. Dang. Everybody hates that dude. My goodness.
Nobody loves a liar. I mean, it's the way it is.
You get the job, you don't do the job, you leave.
People have a new expectation for politicians these days. Our generation is absolutely making change, man.
Yep. Oh, you did ye? Okay. Oh, I see it now. I see it. Oh yeah. Oh, that's funny. That is funny. Let me pull this up on stream, guys. Oh, that's the speech blowing away. It's like, nope, I don't want to be here either.
Oh, and here he comes too, right before he came out. That's perfect.
Yep.
Oh, he's screwed now.
I don't know why, I think yeah, it's just a looping video. I don't know why he's smiling though.
I hope that was the contents page and not the actual speech.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. Crazy. Yep.
Yeah, no, King, it's not political at all, man. Like, I mean, on a personal level, he's the most unlikable human being out there. Insincerity is like the worst character trait for a human,
Yeah. Yep. Agreed.
They come in all shapes and sizes.
Agreed. Yeah, job. I mean, again, job hit resistance at 50 cents, right?
Yeah.
If you're trying to buy stuff that's up 100% and it's sitting below a psychological resistance level, you're playing with fire, right? So stuff like that, high risk, very very high risk. Okay, let me take a look at POAI. 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 Huh, interesting. Yeah, that looks good. Highs of the day. Highs of the day. Crazy.
I haven't looked at it, Yi. I was going to ask you if you had seen AI16Z. That's right, Z, not Z. Z is a word.
Perfect. Officially resigns. Why didn't they just have like an election today, Like just vote like right now. Pick somebody else. But
I don't
no, they have
presume to entirely understand your politics there.
yeah. I
The
really don't.
parliamentary system is strange to me.
Yeah, I really don't either.
No, are you serious, Yi? Is that actually a coin? Dude, just throw it all together. Why not? Oh, virus. Oh, that's dark.
Z.
Oh my God, Yi, that's hilarious, dude.
Perfect. Perfect.
Hey,
Perfect.
I told you to come over for New Year's, Tej. You missed the whole party, man.
Do 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 do.
That's a good idea, virus. That's a good idea. Just set that monkey free, you know? Don't carry it on your back.
Do do do.
Hey, Jerry, welcome to the family, my friend. Jeff had mentioned that he was talking to his friends and family about this stuff. So glad to see you. Welcome. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and ask.
Do 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 do. Oof. POI is cooking there, Josh. Cooking on fire. Cooking.
I mean, it just deleted the $2 level. No hesitation. Now we're going to 250, it looks like.
Send it. And then whenever you're close, like whenever you're ready, Josh, send me. Let's do 5 more minutes,
Okay.
and then send me a thing
Yeah.
like a keyword, and then we can do a giveaway.
I already have a keyword.
Okay. Let's go again. You have to be a member, guys, right? So Josh is giving away someone that's a member already a free yearly membership already. So make sure that you are a member already. If you are not a member, you have 5 more minutes. Become a member. Click the link at the bottom there. Become a member, and then we will do a giveaway. Alrighty, a free yearly membership. So become a member.
How's that for a hashtag, Blaze?
Oh, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Don't spam the hashtag yet, guys, because I haven't started it yet, so it's not gonna count. So I'll let you know when to start. Let's give 5 more minutes, and then we'll go from there. Then we will go from there. Okay,
Oh,
perfect.
that's right. We get a short week this week.
Yeah, Thursday, holiday. Holiday Thursday. Yeah, absolutely. Again, beautiful day. If you've made monies today, guys, type in yes in the chat. If you made monies today, type in yes in the chat. I want to see yes, 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 everybody. Do, 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 do. Yes, love it. Good. Everybody should have made monies today. Of course, Josh. Yes. Everybody should have made monies today. So there goes drop, by the way. So dipped to 36 and then came back to 40. So again, not necessarily done yet, but it had to dip at some point.
You know, I mean, that's 12% right there off the bottom.
No, he didn't do that, Virus. He did. Josh did not do that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
I'm in the interest of company security, I'm just going to simply say no comment.
Yes. Okay. Giveaways. Settings. So keyword giveaway.
Dan, you got to hook up with Yi and check out these perpetuals, man. I think we may have found you a new addiction. They're better than options. It's like investment crack. And you got a good mind for it, so you would probably crush. Yeah, he does.
Actually, perfect.
You know what we got to do, Dan? We got to get Robert to like program into Blaze's black background, one of those like, you know, the rulers that they have at the doors at grocery stores and stuff, so you can see how tall the robbers are. You know, you just slap it up in the background.
Unbelievable.
No, I mean, it'll be good for you, Blaze. Then there will be no discussion about it any longer. You know, everyone will know that you're 4-2.
Already? Oh, Jerry, Jerry just become a member, guys.
Yeah, there we go. Nice, Jerry. Good call, bud.
You signed up for the
Oh, go ahead.
Jerry. Jerry signed up for the wrong level though. Jerry, those sold out levels don't give you access to anything other than like some YouTube stuff. So make sure again you go ahead and upgrade, Jerry.
Not a yardstick, just a ruler.
Rubbish. So the hashtag the hashtag for the giveaway, guys. Again, so Josh is giving away a free Legends membership, right? So you guys know what comes with the Legend membership, right? Group classes, educational videos, access to all the channels in Discord, blah blah blah, right? So
Man, the
Discord
trade alerts.
Yeah,
that
exactly.
is absolutely a number one, or the trade alerts.
Let's go. So the hashtag for the giveaway, like Josh posted earlier, is hashtag time to cook. So that's your hashtag at the bottom there. While we're doing that though, yes, come on,
let's go. Let's go.
Bitcoin is looking amazing, but SPY looks beautiful, Laura. 50 cents away.
We need to break the 600, so Bitcoin will get that extra push. That's all we need is just to break the 600.
Yup. Love it. Well done, Laura. You're doing your job very well. Very well. Hashtag time to cook, guys. And so again, it's members only, right? Members only. Perfect. Hashtag time to cook.
Oh, Sonny, I saw your name just flash by. Hey, listen, man, I did see the question that you put in chat yesterday on Discord, but this Sunday was my family day, like completely unplugged, no phones, no nada really. So I will get around to answering that question in a fulsome way. And hopefully you got a little bit of help in the interim, but I'm trying to formulate a good way to give you an answer over Discord, because it's hard to explain what it is that you're looking for in just simple text. It's not really easy. My best suggestion to you is literally go onto YouTube, type into your search bar, what is Bitcoin? You know, what is cryptocurrency? And dude, just watch some great videos. You know, that's the best way to go about kind of an introduction into what the market is, because until you understand what the asset is, you can't really effectively invest.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and if you're just looking for a trading environment, then I mean, crypto is an awesome environment for that, but it's even more Johnny on the spot than trying to trade pennies.
Ooh wee. Dang, this POI is that thing looks nice. Yeah, 280 resistance. Yeah. Yup, ST. Yeah. So you want to be careful up there.
Time to cook.
Time to cook, guys. There goes 280 again.
Hey, Mr. Clark, change your spelling. Change the number 2 to TO. It's not registering you right now. Get some quick spams with the proper spelling.
Love it. Ooh, Laura, you made monies on those buys? Oh yeah, you did. Well done. I wasn't paying attention to the options cooking lab. I'm just looking now.
Yeah, did anybody swing those calls over New Year?
Like spy calls?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Dude, crushing.
Yup. Very nice. Very, very nice.
There you go, Mr. Clark. Perfect, man. Quick spam that.
Let's do that for another minute, guys, and then we will pick a winner. A winner in the chat. Yeah, POAI is done really well. So again, if you're not a member yet, you're not in Discord, you're going to be missing out on stuff like this, guys, right? Once we hop off, in like 5 or 10 minutes or so, once we hop off, you're going to be missing out on stuff like this. So if you're not a member yet, start the new year off right. Come join us.
Blaze, go back to open on this one too.
Open.
And talk about what this did at open.
Look at that. Right? So the most exciting thing here, I mean, you could look at this and look at that breakout, right? So let me zoom out, right? So you have that initial push at the open, which again, it's very difficult to catch stuff like this when it explodes like that. But what you really have to pay attention to is the level that it fails at, right? So when you start looking for levels like that and like that and like that, this is what I mentioned earlier, right? Like when a stock is getting to resistance the second time, you never quite know if it's like a double top or if it's a breakout. But I'm more so willing to FOMO when it breaks out like the third or the fourth time, right? Because then that's when the momentum really comes in, right? Also, you can kind of see like the consolidation, like higher low consolidation back above the 9, more consolidation right there. That's a really good looking chart, right? Also, if you go back to Discord to the bot was spamming this in Discord as signals, right? And then here you are, boom, 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 highs of the day, right? Here comes $3, 145%. So beautiful looking chart for POAI.
Yeah, and if all you did was just trade that sell-off, if you caught that dip and you watched those consolidation levels and bought there, you're up 100%.
Yeah,
well,
monies.
No, you're up about 60%.
Yeah, if you unless you bought like, yeah, if you bought closer to this area, and then 100% at $3. Are you guys ready to pick a winner, guys? Are you ready? Fubo? Oh yeah, like Fubo's consolidating at a new level. Yeah, it's that 375 AJ. 375. Oh, just like the last breakout-ish, right? Or honestly, just consolidate above 390. That's a good thing too. Yeah.
Just underneath the dollar.
Yep, exactly.
Dude, I'm almost nervous right now.
Why?
It's funny, I don't know.
Why are you nervous?
I have no idea. But I'm all anxious.
Maybe you're just excited though.
I am freaking excited.
Yeah, just the markets today.
Well, it's not even just that, man. You know, it's a new year. It's a fresh start.
Yeah.
Like this is
Yep.
2025 is going to be lit, man. We're gonna take a roller coaster ride this year, but I'll tell you what, it's going to be awesome.
Yep. Agreed. 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 Okay, let's. Are you ready, Josh?
Oh, I'm so ready, dude.
Yeah.
I'm so ready.
Let's pick a winner. Let's pick a winner, guys. Wait, why is it still loading?
Because technology.
Yeah, it's
Because you don't have those new Willow chips from NVDA. That's why.
that's true. Maybe it's
Go
just
buy
stupid
some
app.
pumpkin stock.
Yeah.
They're only like 25 grand a piece.
My goodness, why is it still loading, guys? Nightbot is slacking. I blame
It's all
Josh.
YouTube superpowers, buddy.
Yeah, I blame Josh, guys. Virus says it's over, guys. I won, and the
Yep.
giveaway goes to Virus. It's
Yep.
rigged.
Yeah, that's right.
Come on.
The system is rigged.
Yeah. What is it doing?
I mean, what do you think he was doing in Kuwait? He was learning to rig the system, obviously.
Yeah. Virus is banned. Ryan. Does it like just want me to restart the whole thing or what the hell?
Yeah, it's just hard, man, because Virus carries the ban hammer, which is pretty heavy, So none of us really have the strength or will to take it from him. We just kind of let him go.
Yeah. Come on, Nightbot. Rob, is Rob in the chat? Maybe we need to do it like in Discord instead.
Well, I mean, we can do that too.
Yeah.
I mean, everybody's they're Discord members, so
Yeah, exactly.
Can we do that through Discord? We can do
Yeah,
the
we
drawings and stuff.
Yeah, we can.
Oh, cool.
For some reason, though. Let me just restart the whole thing. Nightbot.
Life's little reset button.
Yep.
Oh, how much did we buy this morning?
Rob's do we have a giveaway bot in Discord, Rob? I know we had one, but I don't know if we removed it though. Nightbot is just loading. Like the names are right there. For some reason, it doesn't want to pick a winner though. Just giving me a circle. Wake up, Nightbot.
Yep, Nightbot's New Year's resolution is to be more of a drama queen than ever.
Seriously.
I love that. Michael Saylor didn't waste any time. 1,070 Bitcoin added to its corporate treasury. MicroStrategy. Yeah. Unbelievable. Yeah, I feel like I missed an entire day. It's like 4 hours.
Yep. Perfect. Yeah, don't. You can stop spamming though, guys. You can stop spamming. Your name's already in there, but the bot isn't picking them for some reason. You can stop spamming. Let's see if we can make it work. In the meantime, though, job looks like it bounced up 36 cents again. So that looks good, actually. That looks very good. Oof, job is like, I want to go again, again, again. 46 cents. So again, with these names, you can always wait for them to dip and consolidate. Always. So don't
Holy
have to.
crypto bubbles.
What happened?
Crypto bubbles.
Oh, the
It's just
bubbles?
a sea of green, you know.
Yep. It might change in a second because of these red candles, but SPY with a bit of a dipski there. More like a lunch dip. The usual lunch dip.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I went into cash accumulation mode coming up on the inauguration of the new administration,
Mhm.
just in case they want to play games, pull some funny, sell the news stuff.
Oh, I see what you're saying, Josh. Yeah. I mean, that was kind of our expectation too, wasn't it? Like
Mm-hmm.
rally into that and then sell off.
Yep.
Yeah.
I mean, we got our very typical, Christmas sell-off. Very, very typical. End of the year, every single year, both markets. You've got to expect it.
Yep.
And then the recovery. I mean, the 2 days that we really had to work, last week, were awesome. Absolutely spectacular opportunities, and the support bounces were obvious. Anybody that took advantage is doing quite well.
General. Mm. Uh, 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 uh.
See, virus is already out there swinging that hammer around. I told you guys, you gotta be careful. Watch out for that guy.
Wait, is AMD above 130 now? Oh my goodness. AMD is going to be the stock of 2025, isn't it?
Dude, I said this.
AMD looks nice.
It is your best opportunity buy. I mean, I won't say it's incredibly undervalued, but it is very undervalued. I mean, in comparison to the other stocks in its sector. I don't think the market's been very nice to AMD.
AMD, yeah, below 120, 120 and below, beautiful opportunity there.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's bounced, so
Yeah, gonna have to wait for a new level of consolidation to start entering position.
Yep. Yep. It looks like job is grim. It looks like that thing double topped kind of in the supply zone and then slapped. Oof, that's a nasty red candle, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
Secure those monies, especially below 50 cents. Secure the monies.
This is why we stop loss.
Yep, exactly. Yeah. I hate Nightbot. Don't worry, guys. Rob is setting up a giveaway in Hangout General.
Gosh, I love that guy.
Because Nightbot is sleeping.
Yeah, that was a big retrace. That's what wrecked looks like.
Yup. What if? Mm.
Job is now unemployed. The puns are endless where this is concerned. Looks like the job market is falling, you know.
Yep. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, Nightbot is working again, guys. Okay, now we can spam again. Let's run it for another for like 2 minutes, guys. So again, if you guys remember the hashtag, right? Hashtag time to cook. So you can spam the hashtag now. The bot is finally working. So make sure you spam something in the chat. There you go.
I just
Yeah.
needed a quickie. That's all.
Yep. Okay, now it's finally taking the entries. It's like, oh, Raven is in. Oh, Gina is in. JB's in. Just chilling is in. There you go. Okay. You can see your names coming through. And then it says, yeah, Saban, you're not in. It picks your name and then it takes your name out because you're not a member. So it's gonna let you come in and then it's gonna kick you out right away. Ace, it's not gonna let you in. Yeah, Sean, not gonna let you in. Mark, not gonna let you in. Nemo, not gonna let you in. Gwendolyn, not gonna let you in. Lena, you're in. War Machine, Jill, in. Yeah. So yeah, just spam it in the chat. We'll do that for another minute and then we'll pick a winner. Mo, CC Sweet Shop, you're in.
You know, it's funny. Typically, when I do when I do stuff like this, like I have someone in mind, you know, that I really want to see that membership go to, and I have to be honest. This time, I don't.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, there's too many of you guys did too well last year.
Yeah.
And I mean, there are so many of you that have been such an amazing blessing to this family. And what a great addition to our entire crew. You know, from being another set of eyes to just being a great student to, you know, being a good communicative part of the community. I mean, really amazing what we witnessed last year in growth. It was phenomenal, guys. Phenomenal. So I'm excited to see anybody.
Exactly. A lot of amazing people. You in, Laura. Mr. Clark, in. Chris, good. Genesis, good. Christian, good. Pyro, good. Mike, good. Q, good. Yeah, it just picks you. Like the first time you spam that, it picks you and then it just ignores you after that. So you only have to spam it one time. It's like, oh, you're good.
Mm-hmm.
You're good.
Yeah, because your name goes on a wheel. So
yeah, exactly. So it adds your name into the wheel once, and then it spins the wheel. It's like, oh, this person won the giveaway. So 30 more seconds, guys, and then we will pick a winner. Actually, yeah. Perfect. Grim, can you post something in the chat, please? Type something in the chat, anything. Anything in the chat. Useless Aussie.
that friggin' guy.
Something in the chat. Okay, perfect. Perfect.
Damn it, he's not just Australian, he's also a smartass.
Something in the chat. Okay, there we go.
Well, if you know other Australians, you know that goes kind of like unspoken. They're pretty much all smartasses.
I like it.
Dude, you will never have a better time than hanging out with an Australian and an Irishman in a bar getting trashed. Like, greatest time you've ever had in your life.
Australian and Aussie.
Oh, yeah. Aussies and Irishmen. And Tej. Yeah. You could throw Tej in there, too.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, Fubo looks amazing. So same resistance I think you mentioned earlier, triple top, right? So triple top around $4.30 really, but more like Wix, but 4.30. Jay, yeah.
Hey, it's better to be a smart ass than a dumb shite, you know?
Yes. Yes. Okay, are we ready, guys? Are you ready to pick a winner? Are you ready, Josh?
I'm so ready, dude. I'm
Okay,
so
let's do
ready.
it. The winner for the giveaway again, you're getting a free Legends membership for a whole year, guys. Already? So, yearly membership from Josh. So again, before we pick the winner, spam some hearts in the chat for Josh, guys, for all the amazing things he does to the
Oh,
community. Spam some hearts in the chat, and then let's pick a winner. Come on, some hearts. I can already see the hearts. The hearts. Wait, why did it do that? Anyways. Okay. Some hearts. And then no more time to cooks because we already ready. And the winner for the giveaway, guys. The winner for the giveaway is Old Cheddar.
oh,
Is you
cheddar.
Old Cheddar.
Hey, cheddar's better.
Old Cheddar. Cheddar is always in the chat too, so Nightboss says congratulations, the Old Cheddar. You won the giveaway. So
Yeah, he's probably away from his computer right now. They're grabbing some more coffee. You know. Oh, there he is. All right.
There he is.
Congratulations. That's absolutely fantastic.
Old Cheddar.
Now listen, I have an incredibly high expectation that you will take advantage of this membership.
There you go. Perfect. Okay.
You know, be around in Discord, go to the education channel, spend time with the other legends, you know, watch some of those alerts, paper trade some alerts, you know, ask infinite numbers of questions, you know, engage, Cheddar. That's the most important part of having this membership, is actually utilizing the tools that it gives you access to.
Yep. Perfect. Congratulations, Cheddar. There goes Fubo, guys. Fubo just broke above that previous top. So again, for anybody that wanted to buy puts on this, don't do the puts. Not quite yet, maybe. Maybe they're gonna do an offering at some point. Who knows? Not sure how much cash they have, but for now, clearly it's a swing play. So and it looks like it's headed towards $4.50 and then $5. Yeah. Josh, thank you very much. Thank you. We
Oh, yeah,
really
absolutely.
appreciate that. Thank you. Lots of hours watching videos. Good, Cheddar. Good. Yeah, it seems like it went to someone that's gonna. Yeah, perfect. Gwendolyn says I deserve to be a part of Discord, Josh. Well, I mean, Gwendolyn, you know what to do. You know what to do. Come join us. So let me know if you have any last questions, guys. Grim and I have a date, and I need to go pee before I go meet up with Grim. So we can talk about all SA music. You know, Grim, are you ready? Anyways, so yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Alrighty, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. Again, if you're not a member yet and you want to join us, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots and come join us. Your membership will pay for itself. Alrighty, we're gonna be in Hangout General, Stock General spamming stuff. You got a fee? Okay, we will. Okay, well, let me just leave it there before Varys says, "Why are you?" Anyways, Josh, what do you have planned for the rest of the day?
Money.
Love it. Okay, well, let me.
It's Monday day, man. The year has started. No more breaks.
Yes.
No more breaks. I want to hit the.
So, what is your vision?
Money.
I mean, what is your plan for the future?
Money.
Like, what is that thing that you want to achieve in life?
Money.
Like, what is your real essence on earth?
Money.
Listen to me. Let's keep the money aside. What else are you focused on?
The money that you get aside.
Your tech's not playing along today.
That's Josh, by the way. Daily driven Mustangs. We if I ignored you, I it wasn't intentional already. I answer everybody's questions. We do answer everybody's questions. Like if we see it and it's a good question already. But if you're like, oh, like what do I get into? And then no, I yeah, no, we don't ignore questions already, unless like it's a question that doesn't have a lot of details, and then maybe already. So if you have a question, like go ahead and ask. We'll answer your question, and then we'll hop off. Yeah, absolutely. No, again, come join us, come make monies with us, and yeah. Ready, driven. If you have a question, go ahead and ask. Like we're not ignoring your question because you're not a member. That's not a thing. We answer everybody's question as long as it's a good question. The only questions we ignore are the questions like, what do I get into now? What do you think about the stock? Right? You need to give us, yeah. Uh, you know what I mean, right? You know what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah, I could go into a long diatribe about all of the reasons to join Hot Trades DDM.
Yeah.
Like, and look, you have to understand that certainly in my case, I'm not always looking at chat, and I sort of rely on some of the people in chat to answer questions that may be popping up. So,
yeah.
Forgive me, but certainly we're not ignoring them. That's not the way that we operate.
No.
In terms of why would you join Hot Trades? Well, talk to the Hot Trades members. That's your best resource. Don't look to Blaze. The Blaze is going to tell you the same thing all the time. Talk to people who have actually benefited from being a part of this community. I mean, obviously, Blaze and I have as well, but for all intents and purposes, your peers are going to give you the most direct answers.
Yeah, absolutely. Milk and cookies. Yeah, see, Grim? We have milk and cookies. That's all you need to know, right?
What do you mean less than the day trade limit? What is that? What do you mean? We have members that trade $50, $10.
Yeah.
You can trade virtually any amount nowadays. So
yeah. Then yeah. So you just need a cash account, right? You need a cash account. So don't do the margin account because then you need the 25K, or you deal with the PDT, right? A lot of people trade with like $500, $1,000, $200. Get a cash account. Then you don't need that 25K limit. Mustang, hopefully that answers your question. You can only per week, so you'll help them. Yeah, no, get a cash account. Alrighty. With a cash account, you can do unlimited trades. You just have to let the money settle. Alrighty. So let's say you have $500, right, in your cash account. Well, then you need to break that up, right? So let's say I have $500, right? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take $500 trades. So that means I have 5 trades today. Or maybe I'm going to take 2 trades. That's $250 each, right? When I come back tomorrow, that money is going to be settled and then I can go again, right? So if you want to do $100 trades, that means you have like 5 trades every single day of the week. I think PDT like is stupid. There's no reason for anybody to be making 3 trades a week. That's stupid. $5. It can keep going. So it looks really good right now. Make sure you have a stop loss. Don't let the thing slap you, please. Alrighty. Just keep moving your stop loss up and you should be good to go. Yeah, or just move to Canada. No PDT in Canada. Yep. There's no reason for anybody to be dealing with like 3. Can you imagine having 3 trades a week when the market is this hot? Yeah.
I remember a particular stream where Mindy and I both ruined 2 accounts, like getting in and out of trades. Like, just like, we're not going to wait. I don't care about your PDT rules, And we did it. We did it on the air.
Yep.
It's terrible. It's a stupid rule. And I understand trying to protect it's reverse Darwinism, right? We got to protect the weak.
Yeah.
So
I think, yeah, exactly.
That's why they created it.
Exactly.
And
Good.
Boater, I know you have to leave, Blaze. Just so that
Yeah.
you know, we don't do that here. Like I'm not gonna. I'm nobody here is gonna give you some sort of outlandish price target for anything. Everything that we do here is technical analysis. It's all based on real time charts. What is the chart saying to us? And right now, Fubo looks to be doing pretty well, but you're in a heavy resistance area. This is probably not the best place to pick up a position. Maybe wait for it to settle. But on the other side of it, nobody can tell you what price things are going to go to. We just won't do that. That's not what we're interested in here.
Yep. So daily driven, I will leave you with this before we hop off. Okay. Much love, everybody. Thank you all very much for coming back. And let's keep cooking. We're gonna go keep cooking in stock general, and then I'll do some one-on-ones. But we'll leave you with this though. So what you're asking is, you're saying, hey, I have this job that has the potential to make me $100 a day, $500 a day, $1,000 a day, $3,000 a day, right? Some of you guys make, like thousands of dollars a day, right? $5,000 a day. You know what? I want to become an engineer today. I want to become a doctor today. But like, let me how about you give me the job first for free, Like your 4 years of education, your 7 years of education. Can you give me that for free first? When, can you give that to me for free? And then once I have the job and I'm getting paid, and then I'll pay for my tuition. That's what you're asking for? Oh, okay. I see. Anyways, thanks for coming. Goodbye. Much
And I
love,
mean,
everybody.
honestly, the biggest mistake that I think many people make is that they think that you have to have tens of thousands of dollars to trade. That ain't
Yep.
true.
Yep, exactly.
That ain't true.
Nope, it's not.
You can start with pennies, guys.
Yep, absolutely.
Well, maybe not pennies. You definitely need a few dollars.
Yeah. So yeah, if again, Dan loves to say this. If you're become a member for a month, if you don't like it, leave. Right?
Yeah.
It's the price you
Yes.
spend on McDonald's. You spend for getting coffee, right? If you don't like it, but or just keep watching the stream and you're still gonna learn stuff and still make monies and stuff like that. Right? It is what it, yeah, But we will not dance. We'll not dance, monkey dance for $50 a month, okay? Because we can make that money's back in the markets in 2 seconds. But
Yeah. My time's worth a lot more than that.
yeah, absolutely, virus. Alrighty, y'all. Much love, everybody. It's good to be back, isn't it? It's good to be back.
Amen. Hell yes. Happy New Year, everybody. Let's
Happy New Year,
kill
everybody.
2025. Let's get it.
Let's go. Time to cook 2025. So I set those goals, and doesn't make you a player. It takes practice to exactly, Lorenda. Just because you buy basketball shoes, it doesn't mean it doesn't make you a player. It takes practice, no matter what you do. Exactly. Right?
Amen. I love
Doesn't
that,
matter what
Lorinda.
you do. I like it too. Right? Doesn't matter what you do. You need the practice. So
That's right.
yeah, football
Well,
looks
God bless
amazing.
you guys. Have a wonderful day.
Yeah. Football looks amazing. So that thing looks like it's pushing for $5, and it probably will go to $5. So again, that's why we said be careful with those puts and shorting it earlier, right? So much love, everybody. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. See you in Discord, and see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Bye, guys. Much love. I'm gonna keep waving till the stream ends. uh, bye.